Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one stop source for all crypto related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 485. Wow, we actually remembered the episode tonight, and I don't remember the title though. It's something about will Bitcoin pull back. I think that's what I called it. Yeah, will Bitcoin pull back? Take a look at announcement for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, just please leave us a comment below. We want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links in the description. So is the link to our Twitter in case you want to engage with us there as well. Wow, so many people in here, man. Thank you all for being here. Let's go through the chat, see who's in the house tonight, man. Let's get this one also showing here. I don't think I propped this one out earlier, but what's up? Not Bitcoin. I know. Let's go through the chat. Let's see who's here. Ooh, MA was the first one, I think. Was it? Usually say first when you come in here first. Oh, you actually did something different there. Yeah, OGN, sure, man. Just someone quick really requested OGN. Sure. We'll put on the list. Oh, yeah, new screen. Yeah, good vibes. Thanks, man. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated.
What's up?
Local D. Double V, what's up? Antonio Vasquez, what's up? Coin25, what's up? I admire your dedication between. By the way, we need more streamers like you. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate that. Thanks for your kind words.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Road to 3K now. Yes. It was weird, dude. I did a stream earlier today. It told me I had 2,805 stream subs. And then when I came in right now, it's just 2,762. Weird. Anyways, let's keep rolling. Steam powering up. Yeah, it was powering up. Do you guys like the intro screen? It was pretty tight, right? Yeah, it took me a little bit to get it done, and it was basically parts of the old screen, the old starting soon screen. I'll just show you real quick, and the new one, right? So part of this one, and then part of this one, right? So it's very similar, and yeah, just a lot of stuff that we're doing to make the stream better and a little bit more enjoyable for everyone, I guess. So I like the new one as well. At least you guys can see that at least I'm sitting back here and getting stuff ready. Instead of like wondering, is this dude even here, man? I mean, he's just making us wait. What a douche. I am here. I'm usually just setting up final things. And so I'm sitting here. Who else is here, man? Stymie, what's up? Good evening. Out of Flips, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Someone's saying VT. Sure, let's put on the list. Inverse head and shoulders weekly. All right. Right. So Philip, thank you for being here, man, as well. What's the tip vote showing on the lead? What do you mean the tip bot? The tip vote. Oh, the donations. What are we gonna do for the donations? I'm not sure. We'll check it out in a little bit. Ethereum is being yeah. Ethereum is holding on though, right? It's holding on some support. Who else is here, man? Independent Mind, thank you for being here, man. Bobby Drake, thank you for being here. Justin Minshew, thank you for being here as well, man. Could OG on the list when you're constant, more people come faster? Maybe, dude. I hope so. If you build it, they will come, right? Guy Fridge, super shot $2. VT88, sure, man. You can skip the queue again. Great, let's go with that. VET and ADA. Great. Part in the crypto army, dude. We're like a militia right now. We're not like a full-on army, but yeah, it's cool, man. Thanks. We're building up a good channel. VT already put it on the list, and it's already just got bumped up by someone, so that's pretty cool. Thank you, Guy Freak. Production value, nice. Yes, man, we are trying to work on that and improve it. I actually got alerts to come in here now. I didn't have them before, and I've been working to improve the quality of everything, right? That's why I do believe that the camera should be the next target, because that will make this image here and the image when I'm talking and the other one, on the other screen, much, much better. Jake, thanks for being here, man. Binance has down. Yeah, I think I heard something like that. They're having an issue. They said they're fixing it soon. I think that's everything, man. Someone said thank you, VGX. Yep, VGX. Awesome. Septi, thank you for being here. Yo, that's awesome. Thanks for your kind words. That's it. Let's go. Steve says it's down. It is down, man. Oh no, what are we gonna do? 88, yeah, someone already tipped and actually skipped the queue before Bitcoin. So that's gonna be interesting, right? Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody, man. Everybody on the club get tipsy. Right on. Let's start with market cap, and then we're gonna move on to VT and 88 that just skipped the queue. I'm gonna write up the list though, because we got some changes up here. We're changing the lineup then. VT. And then it was ADA or ADA. Bitcoin, Litecoin, XLM, near DVT, XLM, near. Those ones are from the Discord, by the way. Yes. Who else? OGN, VT already got some. Skipping the queue, and VXG, right? VGX, sorry, VGX. That's it, man. That's awesome. Hey, Kelsey Isaac, what's up? Excellent. Please, yeah, if you I think it's already in the list, number 7. So don't worry about it, right? The cat is mesmerized by the Christmas lights. Thanks. So with that, I think we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13. So yeah, 13 coins so far. That's so cool, man. Yeah, that's crazy, Steve. Let's start, man. Let's get this going. Let's get this stream on the road. What is happening with crypto, man? Yesterday, money flew out of the cryptosphere. Look at that. Oh no, how sad. We had 1.16% to the downside, approximately $15.91 billion who went out. Right now, we are actually going up, but very, very slightly at 0.40%. And Bitcoin's actually positive right now. It was negative throughout at the beginning of the candles, right? And right now it's positive, and we're going to check that out. So yesterday, some money flew out of the cryptosphere. That's fine. We got VT and ADA skipping the queue, so we're not going to do Bitcoin yet. We're going to come back to it. And let's roll. VT, USD. There we go. So, VeChain, what's it doing, man? It's moving down. Look, we had bearish divergence strong. We did pull back on that. That's fine. We have it against the RSI as well. Again, that's fine. Action downside, we did move down, hit that 1618, held support, popped back up, and making a spinning top. I like that. That just means we have indecision right now. New candles also showing that indecision. Weak to the upside, downside about equal length. Body very tight in the middle. So again, getting another spinning top. We don't know where we want to go, but I like the fact that we step up that 1618 at 3.55 cents. Let's see if we can keep on climbing back up and get to higher targets. I don't think, for some reason, on this FIBS, I don't have anything higher. So let's see if I can get this FIBS to show here, man. I'm missing the 2618, the 3618, and the 4618. Let's see where they're at. So 2618 would be at 4.7 cents. Now, yesterday I finished stream. I forgot to undo things on the computer again. And like, look, if I try to save, it's going to tell me that it's already failed. So save layout, and it'll tell me like I have no space, right? So a lot of stuff also got deleted yesterday. That kind of sucks, man. Can we do OM and GT? Sure, man. I'll do OM and then GT, man. Why not, right? Yeah, it's gonna be coming in soon, man. I think I got an email. It's supposed to be getting delivered to my parents' house on Friday. I'm not sure how quick I'm gonna be able to get it down from the US to Mexico, though. Let's keep rolling. So checking out, make sure I'm not missing anything here. VeChain moving down again, potentially on bearish divergence right now. It's trying to climb up slightly, but still, again, look at that spinning top, right? The body with two large wicks. Slightly higher, but still lower than the previous high. So again, nothing there. Bought at 62.63. Market conditions are still really bullish, right? Chances that bearish indicators might not play out. Just keep that in mind. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we had the bearish divergence section. Downside, we pumped more positive, higher. We didn't have anything bearish. We went down probably Bitcoin and company and then bounced, and now we're trying to reclaim it, and now we're actually doing positive, just like Bitcoin and other projects. So we are at 3.55 cents right now. Again, held support of the 20. Nice. And we're back to neutral on the RSI at 59.53. So again, not looking too bad. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. We might start making negative momentum. These lines, sometimes they kind of flirt and get together, and then they diverge again, right? Like they don't cross. When they do cross, we're going to start making negative momentum, and that could imply that we could get action to the downside. Let's hope this is bullish enough to try to get us to go higher and not just some kind of like dead cat bounce or like, you know, some kind of V-shaped recovery here happening on VT, or like, you know, let's wait and see how it develops a little bit more, right? It's too early to tell how quickly or how much more it's going to develop. But again, getting that bounce at the 20 is good. I like that. On the 1-hour chart, remember we had this line, support line. What do we say? Look, we were somewhere around here last night, and we said if we break that area, we're confirming the bearish divergence, and that would mean that we're looking for action to the downside. And we're moving down on that, right? So good stuff there. Yo, Whitney Dick, thanks for being here.
What's up?
Yeah, thanks everyone for being here, by the way. Again, hit the like button, sub. So I'm trying to see what we did here short term. I don't think we had any positive momentum. We had this very tiny positive momentum here, so that's fine. But on this last bit, right, on this last push, we still managed to create strong bearish divergence for action to the downside, right? And that's precisely what's happening with VeChain. We're getting that move down. We're breaking below that support line that we drew. And I told you, once we break that line, we can confirm that we're going in the bearish divergence. It's gonna take hold, right? And look, drop, hit that 1618. Now we're trying to bounce. Let's see if we are having something here. I do believe we have some hidden bullish divergence, and that is why we're getting that bounce. And we got it right at the support, right where we would be expecting to see it, right? So again, good stuff. I like this, holding support on hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence, and again, doing very, very nice. OXT, OXT is on the list, man. We'll put it on the list, right? Alex, thank you for being here. What's up? GRT? Sure, let's do GRT. What's that?
This party is just getting started. BTC about to rally. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. It's funny. It says so many times. Dude, yo, thank you very much for the awesome donation there, Andy, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
There it is, man. One up. Also, Guy Freak did donate earlier. I forgot to do the whole thing for Guy Freak. So there we go, Guy Freak. Legendary.
Thank you very much.
There we go. And Madison also with the awesome donation. Thank you very much, Madison. I know you're here for XLM. It just got pushed 2 coins down because people donated at the beginning and asked for coins. So it was at position 7. Legendary. Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. One up. There we go. Thank you very much for the kind donation. It got pushed down to position 9 now because someone donated at the beginning and requested 2 coins. So sorry about that. I'm gonna try to get to it as fast as I can, though. Right. Anyways, again, breaking on divergence. Oh, by the way, I know it's yours and Bring Facts Kid's birthday. So on behalf of the State of Crypto and the community, happy birthday to your kid, or his kid. I'm not sure whose kid is it. I didn't quite get that. But yo, here's a birthday cake for y'all. And on that, congratulations. Let's keep rolling. Hope you enjoyed it and that your kid had fun. Let's keep rolling with this. So again, bearish divergence, section downside, right? Hidden bullish, popping up a little bit, high low. Again, what's that? Yo!
Thanks for the stream. I look forward to it every day. I haven't missed one in over a month. 0.00300000 ETH. Let's go.
This one didn't do that many O's. That's weird. Jack Proc, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. Thank you very much for that, dude. There we go. One up, dude. So awesome. Thank you very much for the kind donation. And also, Chris Tanqueray. To you, I also say legendary, man.
Thank
you very much for that, man. There we go. One up, dude. Awesome. Thanks for that awesome donation, dude. I really appreciate that. And yo, who was it? Jack Proc, dude. Thanks for being here, man, and being consistent. I really appreciate that. To you, man. I say
hail to the king, baby.
Hail to the king, baby. That's it. We have this bullish divergence action to the upside. High, low, positive, high, low. Again, not really seeing a lot here. We do have this island here of positive momentum. It's just one bar. I'm not sure if I want to consider it for the analysis. It's just tiny, and that would be bringing this hidden bearish divergence. That would imply they're going to get pressure on the price to go down on VeChain, right? So again, from here to here, right? And if we zoom in, sorry, not if we zoom in here. If we zoom in here, where we get that flow from here to here, right? Look at that, right there. So again, that's what I'm looking at here on TLRay. Sure, I got TLRay on the list. Thank you, Whitney, for requesting it. I gotta update the list in a second, though. Just give me time. I need to get through some coins at least before I update, because I'm falling behind. So thank you all for being here, guys. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub, join us on Discord. Link is in the description. Neutral at the 52.81. So again, hidden bullish. Let's see how high we can go on that. Right now, we're starting to create this potential hidden bearish. I really don't want to consider that. It's just against the MACD. It is because that we do have this positive momentum here, but like I said, it's very, very small, right? It's almost non-existent. So on that note, let's move on to ADA. The move that we wanted played out, right? The downside, we broke the support. That's great. Let's go to ADA, man. Where is the ADA, man? A lot of chat happening. So, ADA. What's ADA doing? Again, we had the version divergence. We didn't really care much about it. It retracted what we did yesterday, right? Because we were tracking it a little bit more. And then we were tracking it, and we said we lost it. Oh, dude. Since it's not saving the data, I think it's just it's still there. But it's clear divergence, by the way. It's clear divergence, man. It's clear divergence doesn't have it anymore. Still pumping, right? And targeting that 786 in the retrace and getting above that area. Right now, breaking below. Let's see if throughout the day we can manage to get back above it. That'll be really good for ADA. And it did get and hit very close to $1, dude. 99.79 cents. If you're holding this coin, congratulations. For reals. I'm very glad for you. I didn't get into it. Steve's been trying to convince me to get into it. Yo, I'm sad I didn't. Thank you, Steve, though, but for your efforts. You're the State of Crypto AD evangelist here. Can we do bat? Sure, man. So right now, overbought at 83.48. That's it. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see where we're at. All right, so first things I'm noticing is some bearish divergence against the RSI, right? It's the most obvious one there. We can do it in two parts. One part still works, right? I'm just gonna ignore this spike there. Anchor this in the 4-hour. And then from here to here, right? So strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside, man. And what do we have down here? We created some hidden bullish, which again is pretty legit. So from here to here, and from here to here, man. Low to high. Again, strong bearish divergence, so hidden bullish divergence, fraction to the upside. We got up, and then we're creating this bearish divergence, actually downside moving us down. This might be from, I'm not sure why I drew this one here, man. Did I have it matching to something? Yeah, I probably matched it to something here. Maybe from here to here, we're looking for divergence, starting to build. But we no longer have it, right? We climbed higher. Now, the question here is it higher than this previous high? Yes, it is. So that's good. Is divergence in play? Again, strong bearish divergence, actually downside. That's probably why we're reverting there at the 786. Ave, sure. Pedro, thank you for being here, man.
What's up?
Ave. Sitting overbought at 70.71. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, I'm drinking coffee. I'm really tired. I had a weird day. The kids woke up a couple times last night. Or my daughter woke up twice last night. My son. It was just a nightmare. Nightmare of sleep, man. I said that in the earlier stream. I was just like, yeah, whatever, man. Kids and potty training them, not a good. Like, I mean, it's good to potty train them, but damn, it's cool that she's starting to tell us when she wants to go to the restroom. But in the morning, like midnight, it's just like, hell's no, man. Right? Particularly because I get very little sleep, so any interruption really screws it up. Is Binance offline for me as well? I'm not sure. I haven't tried to go into Binance, but thank you for asking, man. I think it's having problems. I saw CC came out and said something about it. It's some code that's off. But anyways, low, high, high, low, positive. Positive, positive, high, low on the other side. Again, strong bearish divergence. Action to downside, moving down. Breaking below that 786, and now hitting that 20 and finding support, which is good. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, nothing here. High, low, some hidden bullish happening here on the short term. And again, liking this very much, man. I'm liking this very, very much. It's in bullish. It could get us to retest that 786. And what I like about it is it could try to break us to the upside. If we break above that 786, we could try to confirm it again as support and then move higher still. And if we reject it, we know we could move down again and maybe move behind, man. Your daughter's embarrassed now? Oh, that sucks. I didn't say her name, so no one knows who she who she is in real life here, so she shouldn't be embarrassed about that, man. Because we're not like doxing her here on the stream. So I hope she's okay with that, and I hope that comforts her somehow. But tell her not to be embarrassed. It's a birthday, man. That's so cool, and it's just a congratulations. It's so nice, man. Dude, $1 is gonna be a psychological resistance for ADA, man. For ADA, right? So yeah, look, we were very close to it and rejected. At least on the daily, it said that. Here, look at this. This is weird, man. Right? Look here. The highest point we got to on the 1 hour chart was 95.55. If I go on the daily, that wick is off. Look at that wick, dude. It says he got to 99.79. I was so excited. Right now, I'm like, I just didn't get there, man. But the daily was showing this week here, again, going all the way up there. And then the 4 hours, like, guess what? Nope. Psych. Fell for it. Haha, too slow, something like that, dude. It's just mean. Anyways, bearish divergence moving down. Hidden bullish trying to prop us up again. I do hope that we get above that 786. It's going to be key for ADA, man. All right. Let's go to Bitcoin now. The Bitcoin. What's the Bitcoin doing, man? Bitcoin dominance 61.80% of market cap, man. She's easily embarrassed. All right, that's cool, man. Bitcoin dominance 61.80. So yep, it stalled a little bit yesterday, losing 0.01. Oh, I'm on the 1 hour. What am I talking about? Here we go. It lost a lot of dominance yesterday, 2.41. That means some alts gain terrain, or maybe drop less than Bitcoin, right? That's two ways that we can interpret that. And today's pumping 0.02%, sitting at 61.80 again, not too bad. Bitcoin futures at 45,295. Right now, the price of Bitcoin at $44,966.26, man. Dude, the bull at Texas Roadhouse. That's I'm not sure. I don't think I've been to a Texas Roadhouse, man. Yo, Jake, you gotta get that checked out, man. I told you the other day, computer freezing you off over too many times. It's not a good thing, bro. And I hope we can get it sorted out, man, for reals. Binance US not down. Oh, maybe just international Binance, I guess. Bitcoin daily pulling back down slightly yesterday. That's fine. We had strong bearish divergence. Wouldn't you know it's a possibility for a move to a downside? Like, we talked about it where we could go maybe down here. We don't have a lot of support. That's what we said, Yeah, so it's fine. I mean, not super worried about Bitcoin yet. Holding at 44,900. We held support here around 44. What was it? 44,035. Yeah, so 44,000. And what? Yeah. So, bearish divergence. Right now, sitting bought at 69.58. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Yeah, I understand the rest. I'm not sure. It depends on what the issues they're trying to fix, but I'll tell you that it's gonna be something interesting, I guess, right? What they're gonna have to do to fix it quickly and have everyone needs be taken care of, because yeah, it's not good when servers for trading go down. And if you're worried about that, next time try to have some positions or at least some areas that you could want to exit at, just very well marked, and probably with some kind of stop losses or something. That way you wouldn't mind. 43,800 is top of 4 hour Tesla candle. Okay. I'm not sure I get that comment, man. Oh, so it's above when Tesla bought. All right, cool. I get it now. So again, we're looking at this as a potential falling wedge. Usually breaks to the upside. I didn't quite like that. I was like, oh, you know what? I'll just break down. So we moved down, hit that 20. That's great. We didn't have anything bearish here on the 4 hour. And that's okay. Again, not worried about the move. It doesn't come with bearish divergence, right? It's just a move down, a quick consolidation pattern, hitting that 20, holding on to support there. Again, not worried about this yet. Maybe if we get to 40K and we lose that area, I could start to get a little bit worried. But right now, again, it's holding good, right? It's holding on good. So low, high, negative, more negative. And with that, we have that bullish divergence, right? So hidden bullish. That is pretty cool. Here we go, and then from here to here, man. Sorry guys, my eyes itchy as hell, man. Is what not support? The candle? Maybe, dude. Yeah, I mean, I haven't checked it in detail. So yeah, we could be aiming for some support here, right? I'll just draw it right now. I mean, I haven't looked at this yesterday for support. We don't have a lot of areas to look for support here because we don't have a lot of information, right? So we're guesstimating where support can be based on closes, and you know, having just a close here and an opening here is not really what you want to look for support. You want to get a little bit more meat in that area, right? So I mean, it is holding at support right now. That's fine. It's also holding at a 20, which again is fine. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, see what we have there for the Bitcoin, man. We haven't looked at Ethereum yet. It's actually the next coin. Thanks for asking, man. So, yesterday on Bitcoin, we were looking at this hidden bullish. Again, like I told you, closed my PC earlier as soon as the stream was done. Or I didn't close it, but I got into a chat with someone, and then by the time I finished the chat, it was really late. I just closed down the PC, and I forgot to save the charts. So, closed the PC basically without saving, and it was already telling me that I had too much data, so it didn't save the counterparts. So we're looking at this hidden bullish. We popped on that, hit that 20 rejection, moved lower. Again, hitting that new area that we just traced, and again, you know, yeah, we can see that it is holding as support, so that's fine. Again, no worries there. Looks like a double bottom today here. Yeah, it's too tiny though. The move to the upside wouldn't probably be as strong, so I'm not looking at this as double bottom yet. It's too small. Maybe the shorter time scales, but you know. Binance is down. Yeah, a lot of people have been telling that, right? Thank you, GNS, for being here, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, look, here, where we drew the line, right? I mean, I'm saying it core support because, look, we faced resistance here 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the wicks. And here on this wick, we held support. So that's why I'm giving it as a potential valid area where you were telling me to look at, right? Before the Tesla buy and the candle. So, yeah, I mean, still above that area. And again, good area for potential support. We're holding it once, twice, right? So again, nice for Bitcoin. Not seeing anything else, I think. So let me just double check here. I gotta zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, we have some strong bullish divergence here. So high to low. Right, and let's make sure this is gonna be on the 1 hour chart for us. There we go, man. And from here to here, and from here to here. 1 second, man. I'll turn around in a second. I heard the thing bip, so but there was no voice coming through, so I'll check it out in a second. I'll see what it is. So we have this strong bullish divergence for action to the upside, man. What is up? GNS, dude, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you, dude. Legendary.
Say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, man. There we go, man. 1 up. So again, there's, yeah, I mean, yeah, I noticed that you were telling me this double bottom here. I just said it's too small of a move on the shorter time scale. Maybe on the half hour might look really well. Dude, no, $1 is a lot, bro. For reals, $1 it's a good amount, man. Don't play it down. It's a good donation. I appreciate that. I appreciate any donation. Doesn't matter how big or small, man. Are you looking at Ethereum, not Bitcoin? All right, cool. Again, yeah. So here on the half hour, look at that, right? The double bottom that you were talking about, it's a little bit more evident, and also the bullish divergence also here on the half hour chart for Bitcoin, right? So again, this potential for action to the upside on the half hour is also very good. That means we have bullishness at least on 2 time scales, and we could be looking for that move up. So nice. There we go, man. High, low, positive, and then high and sideways. So I'm not gonna call anything here on the top. That's it, dude. Again, look at this. From up here to here, I mean, we did have some bearish divergence. Not this good-looking divergence, just hidden bearish. Moved to downside, and with that, we did move down and created that strong bullish divergence again, also for action to the upside. And that's what I'm expecting to see, man, which is really, really cool. checking something out real quick. Yeah, there we go. Anyways, that's it for Bitcoin. Let's move on to Ethereum. Bitcoin back above the VWAP on the daily. That's pretty good, man. I'm not looking at the VWAP here on Trading View, mainly because it's something I usually look at when I'm using stocks, and I do have it on my Trade Zero platform. If you catch the day stream, and whenever I open the platform, I talk about the VWAP there. I don't have it here. Mainly because one, I already ran out of indicators I can place. On the free version, you can only use 3. So I have the MACD, the RSI, and the Bollinger Bands, and that's what's taking out most other free ones, or all the free ones. And again, it just goes to show you that you can do a lot of stuff here on the charts with just the free version of TradingView. You don't really have to use the paid version. I mean, paid version is good if you want to have multiple alerts, but if you just want alerts, there's probably other areas where you can go and buy stuff for alerts, right? Or pay for just the alerts. So Ethereum, let's go there, man. Ethereum at $1,734. Let's see where it's at on the daily. We had the bearish divergence moving down, holding support. See, guys, that's why I said it's holding support. It's been trying to hold and fighting tooth and nail for this support today at 1,729. Every time I looked at it, it's just been slightly above it or just sitting on it. We wicked below it, but we're back above it again, and that is good, man, right? Again, we had the strong bearish divergence against the RSI. That's fine right now. We're just sitting bought at 65.02. Again, the market's not turned bearish. We're just moving sideways and moving down a little bit, right? So again, a lot of people panicking. That's why the name of the stream is Will Bitcoin Pullback. So a lot of people are panicking on the small move. It's not a big move. It's just a tiny move. So on the 4-hour, bearish divergence, strong action downside. Look at that, holding on to that support of the 20. It's okay so far. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing bullish here, man. Yeah, that's what we need to get to. That's what we need to get to 3,000. That's why I put that. Sorry, to 5,000. That's why I put that that goal there. Right. That's the yeah. So it's the next milestone, right? I didn't put a small one. We'll see if we can fill it up someday, hopefully. So hopefully soon, if Bitcoin moves. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Neutral at 53.36 on the other side. Let's go to 1 hour and see what we have there. Again, remember I drew this line. I told you if we break it, yeah, bearish divergence. Look, broke down, holding support. That's fine. Trying to see here if we're actually going lower, and I think we are, dude, going lower every time, so that's fine. Lower low here on the half hour, and this is gonna be good for Ethereum. And then we're looking at the move from here to here, right? So strong bullish divergence on Ethereum for potential action to the upside. So not just Bitcoin has a strong bullish divergence, Ethereum also has that strong bullish divergence for action to the upside, man. Jerome, I noticed both Ethereum and Bitcoin corrected to current channel 4 hour. We're about. Dude, I'm not sure, man. I'm not getting the comment right now. Let's move on to the next one, man. Someone said inverse head and shoulders on the weekly for Ethereum. Let's go there, man. Weekly Ethereum. I don't think I'm gonna see it here, man. The weekly for reals. I want to go to another Ethereum, but I'm not seeing that inverse head and shoulder, right? Like, if you're seeing inverse head and shoulders here, please let me know, because I'm not seeing on the weekly. So, anyways, let's go to the daily and move on to Binance. Binance, which is down for maintenance. Let's see if the chart is working. Binance, $127 and 8 cents. So apparently it is stuck. It's not moving. We'll see what we're doing, man. Again, it pulled back down slightly. It did pump quite a bit yesterday. It got to $150, dude. That is a lot of dough, man. You have your historical order at awesome, dude. A lot of people see inverse head and shoulders. Oh, it's a for Ethereum. I'm not sure, man. My chart does not look right for some reason on the weekly. I'll go back to Ethereum in a second. I'll before I move on farther into Binance, but I know what you're talking about. The weekly go like this, and you're probably looking at this. Let me hide the Bollinger Bands. Like this. Is it looking a little bit better for you, man? I was not using log scale. I was just using linear scale, which again, for the prices that we're at right now, linear scale, log scale looks more or less, at least when I'm assuming they look more or less similar. So it might be the fact that I'm using this. So where's the inverse head and shoulders, man, that is being spoken about? If and I'm not sure what you guys are getting at, but if you want to tell me that this is a shoulder, right, and then that this is a head, I guess. And then this is the other shoulder, I guess, maybe. This is what you guys tell me, maybe, man. I'm not sure. I'm not seeing a head and shoulders here, man. And I'll tell you what, if this is a head and shoulders, it's not going to play out. I mean, it is going up, but it's not really a head and shoulders pattern. You're way off. We would be way off here, man. Look, if I take a measure from here to here, it's like a 145% move. You just want one shoulder to another shoulder to be between 3 and 4%. Again, guys, it's easier if you just send me the stuff in the Discord, right? Because then I know precisely what we're looking at and I can spot it on the chart easier. Right now, I'm trying to gauge over a much larger time frame. All right, cool. I'll zoom out more. I don't have a lot more data here, though, right? See, that's it, man. It just goes back to June 2016. Let me go to another Ethereum chart, see if we can find it there, man. This one just gives me the same data, man. Same data. Oh, this one's weird. This is a bit. This is Ethereum against Bitcoin. Is that the one you were talking about? Because I was looking at Ethereum against the dollar. Just Ethereum against Bitcoin. So I'm not sure, man. Thank you, Jason Counter, man.
Thank you very much.
Really appreciate that comment, man. So send me on Discord, man. I mean, I'm gonna move on to the next one. I'm losing a lot of time trying to figure out what you guys want me to look at. It's not that I don't want to look at it. We can go back and revert to it on a recap, but there's a lot of projects I still gotta move through. And just send it to me on the Discord. I'll check it out gladly. But again, it just feels like I'm hunting for something, and it's taking a lot of time off the stream to do this hunt. So send it to me on the Discord. I'll check it out, and then we'll come back on a revisit and do it in detail. Right? Binance. Let's go on the daily. Again, nothing happening here. We're really bullish. Overbought at 89.68. That's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Pump higher, right? That's fine. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. We're bought at 70.86. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Here we go. On the 1 hour chart, what do we have, man? We're looking for the bearish divergence fraction of downside. It was here against the RSI. Again, I lost the counters here, but that's good, man. Again, we climb up a little bit more. Bearish divergence strong. Action downside moving down. Flagging a little bit. That's fine. Low, high, negative. More negative, right? So from here to here. And we'll get to draw the other one in a second, man. Trampus, what's up, man? Thanks for being here, man.
Thank you very much.
And then from here to here, man. All right, so head bullish, potential fraction to the upside. It's at least moving out sideways, which is again one of the possibilities of the hidden bullish divergence, but that's it, man. We don't have it against the RSI right now. Neutral at 53.47. That's it, right? Again, consolidating on the short term here. We're making a triangle, right? Look at this. From here to here, and from here to here. I'm actually going to ignore that one and might go here. I might go with the wicks for this one. Might look better. Choose the wicks there and use the wicks here on the top as well. There we go. All right, so that's it, right? Triangle pattern forming into Binance. Let's see where it's going to take us, right? This is very nice, man. Binance all-time high. Right here, man. 149, whatever this high is here. Let's see, 149.24. That is all-time high, man. Thank you, Pedro. Oliveira and yeah, thank you for being here, man, as well. Right. Anyways, yeah, that's all-time high, right? Look, all-time high for Binance. Ever, the highest it's ever been. Let's go Litecoin. Litecoin, $180 and 52 cents. Again, bearish divergence we were looking for. Actual downside potentially. We did move down slightly. This is a 1 hour chart though. Right, and I'm gonna go and do the daily first. We were looking at the bearish divergence here last night. Look, we pulled back down on it on rejection of the 50% retrace. Right, look at that. I'm zooming out. The 50% that we're rejecting. Awesome. Again, strong bearish divergence against the RSI. Here we go. Again, I just lost the counter, but that is it's just bought at 66.54. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. The music stopped. Weird. There we go. Low high, positive, high, higher high. Everything here is good. I'm not seeing anything bearish here on the 4 hour. Nothing bullish either, right? Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. Bought at 60.27. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On our chart, we had bearish divergence again. We had this one here. I just didn't have the counter, and then it would have kept on tracking a little bit more, right, on this last bit. After it got above that 50%, we created more strong bearish divergence still, and that's why we're moving down, man. That's actually the move that we're getting here, right? From here to here, and from here to here, high to low, and positive, less positive, right? Now, what are we doing, man? We are creating some hidden bullish divergence as well, right smack in the middle of the channel there, man. And with that, we're looking for that action to the upside, right? So low, high, negative, more negative momentum, and then low, lower, low. So with that, again, sideways motion. Sideways motion, right? We're getting it. That's fine. Low, higher, high, then am I looking at this wrong? Yeah, dude, barely. I gotta check this out. Closed at 175.72. Closed at 175.62. 72.62, 10 cents lower. Ooh, a whole 10 cents lower, man. But I mean, still, it will work for this. So, high to low, and then negative, less negative, man. Here we go. With that, we're looking for that strong bullish divergence or potential action to the upside, but we're really found to get it. And the trigger, right? I did hide the 20 moving average, so let's bring it back out where it's at. Wow, we rejected the 20. Now it makes sense. 42, 75, and 43. So slightly higher. Again, bullish divergence strong, going up, hitting that 20, rejecting, fell drop lower in the previous low. Thus, we're getting continuation of the bullishness. And we're trying to move up again. Neutral at 50.43. Let's see if we can manage to get above that 20 now. On Litecoin. Let's move on to RSR, man. I wouldn't say don't panic on Binance. They should be back soon, I hope. So, and if your money's there and it's stuck, you can't do anything to get to it, right, until they come back online. So, no worries. It's just no point in stressing over something you cannot fix, dude. Right? It's out of your power. Like, the best thing you can do is just go with the flow. It'll get fixed whenever you get fixed, and hopefully you won't have losses or anything like that. RSR, let's check it, man. RSR at 5.3, man. So cool. It pumped so much today, man. I missed that pump. I'm not sure if this week's right, so I'm gonna ignore it for now. But again, we're looking at the bearish divergence here for action to downside against the MACD over here, right? Look at this. Strong bearish divergence. We also have it against the RSI, but again, since I forgot to save last night the chart, it deleted a lot of the stuff. Because it says, I'm full, man. I cannot take any more items. And I had to delete some stuff, or forgot to delete some stuff. There we go again. Bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. Starting to move down slightly, but not a lot yet. Let's go to the 4 hour chart, man. Oh, it looks like that pump was legit. 5.9. I wasn't even paying attention to this, man, to be honest. So good. I like where this is going. High, higher, high, positive, high, and there's such a higher point. Then here in the short term, we're starting to develop some strong bearish divergence here on the 4-hour chart for RSR. Razor, or whatever. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this project. RSR. RSR. On the RSR coin. Right. There we go. So again, bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. Moving down to that right now on the 4-hour chart. Not really worried about it yet. It's probably just pullback we're getting. Brand, thank you for being here, man. Let's go on the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we're getting this bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence against the MACD, right? So again, potential fraction to the downside. We just don't have it against the MACD. We also have it against the RSI. Look at that from high to low. Low, high, negative, low, negative, low, high. Neutral at 52.49 on the RSI. That's it for RSR. Again, moving down, hitting that 20, trying to bounce right now. See if it holds support there and see if it wants to move back up. Again, guys, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit like the bell and sub. Join us on Discord. Up next, DVT, man. Ooh, DVT got pullback at 2.2013 cents. You got pullback, dude. 4.5. That's more or less where it's been. It did move up a little bit to 5.3. That's fairly good, I would say. Let's get the indicators out here, the MACD and the RSI. Figure out what this project is doing, man. The MACD and the RSI. The RC, man. Here we go, man. Let's make this columns and make it green, and it'll be easier for everyone to see. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, nothing bullish. Low, high. And from back here, man. Right, these all one island, so low, high. And then high to low, right? So bearish divergence strong for potential action to the downside. Let's see if we can get that. We also would have it here against the RSI, but in a shorter term. So from here to here. All right, strong bearish divergence for DVT. Potential movement down coming in. Let's see. Let's wait and see if it's gonna really manifest into moving down. Thank you, Brandon. Appreciate the comment, man. Low, lower, low, negative, or negative, low, lower. That's fine, dude. Here we're going sideways. Here diverging a little bit, right? Look at this. Moving sideways here from here to here. Then from here to here, right? So from here to here. So again, medium bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. That's what we have in the 4-hour DVT. The only thing this could do is pump a little bit more. It's going to start creating strong bearish divergence until it gets above this previous high here on the RSI, which is 59.02. And if it does that, it will shake off this divergence, man. So let's go to daily. Daily, we already know what we have. It hasn't changed, right? Low, high. And negative, more negative, right? So hidden bullish. Again, potential fraction to the upside. And that's it, dude. That's what we're going to call here for DVT. Again, very good project. If you haven't gotten into it, go check it out. They have a good community. So that's it for DVT. Let's go check out XLM. Yo, Madison. Well, we're going to do XLM, so I hope you're here. You told me to give you a shout out, like, you know, when we were going to do it. So I'm letting you know that we're going to do XLM now. Let's go to daily. Again, on daily, we still have, and we're still holding on to this bearish divergence. I'm laughing because it's ridiculous that we still have it. It hasn't played out, right? It's like, you know, it's like taking forever, man. It's like dragging a zombie. So some bearish divergence for potential action to downside. Overbought at 74.07. Again, trying to reclaim the previous high or previous 100% at 46 cents. I think it was, yeah, 46, which is a high that I have on this chart, right? So that's fine, man. Yo, Montera, thank you for being here, man. And I'm hope that you're doing good with the winter prepping. Awesome. Winter storm prepping. Oh, not so awesome. But I still hope you do good with that, man, right? It's a good time to get into XLM. Dude, is it a good time to get into anything? You gotta answer that for yourself. I cannot tell you, unfortunately, no name, what to do with your dough. ICX, sure, let's put it on the list. Got a lot of updating to do on the list, and we're gonna do that in a second, right? Yeah, good, awesome, man. Here in Mexico City got a little bit cooler tonight, so it was nice. It started raining in the afternoon, and then it chilled down a little bit, which is fine. All-time highs, 0.94. Yeah, this chart doesn't have the whole data, but that's fine. We can shift to another chart later on. This is just the one I've been doing all my charting in so far. So once we get to this 100%, we'll be looking at another chart. The query, yeah, man, I'll do it on a recap, right? So just wait for a recap to happen, and we'll check it out, right? So the 4-hour going higher, right? And then we're losing this key that I had here. It probably would have been going to here, right? But now it's going to here. And with that, we still have this strong bearish divergence. Fraction downside broke down, hit that 20 as support, and he said, "Hell's no, we're not going to go lower. Try to hold support and pump higher." So pretty good, man. Riley, to answer your question, you should be looking at both. And you basically what you want to do with the RSI is look at coinciding variables when you're doing divergence, or if you're just looking for a bought or oversold. You want to look for coinciding variables, right? So being overbought or oversold in both would be a good indicator that you might go down a little bit. But again, on a bull market, being oversold, a strong bull market can stay oversold for a long time, or sorry, overbought for a long time, and a bear market can stay oversold for a long time. So again, just be careful on how you look at the data, right, and how you interpret it. So again, short term here, right, low, high. Look at that. This is nice, dude. This is some hidden bullish divergence here. So hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the oh no, oh here it is. Here's where I seen it. I was like, I know I've seen it somewhere. To the upside, and we're taking that bounce. Let's see if it gets higher than the previous high. That would be a good indicator. You know, we still want to go on up a little bit higher. If we reject the higher area here, we could be looking for a moving down still to come. So again, let's wait and see how that hidden divergence works. On the 1 hour, we're looking for some bearish divergence, actually downside. Probably no. This is from the 4 hour. Yeah, I forgot to anchor. Great. I forgot to anchor. Oh, there we go, man. No, this is here. This one's legit here. So we're looking for some bearish divergence fraction to downside. The question is, are we getting it? And the move I was looking at was from here to here, right? Again, I lost the bottom part of the charts, right? So the bottom part of the lines. And we still pumped more. So on that, we created strong bearish divergence, actually downside, breaking down on that. So again, it was there, right? We had a technical for the move. And then looking at this from here to here, right? And from here, oh snap, it's not anchoring. There we go. Let it go. There we go. Let go of it. And then from here to here, right? So hidden bullish, actually the upside, and taking that small pop. Rejecting slightly. And then we created this strong bullish divergence here on this very, very tiny scale, right? So from here to here, and from to here. There we go. So on that note, strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We are moving up in that, man. All right, starting to move up, high, low. Dude, I'm gonna have to zoom in here. $2,538, $2,556, slightly higher. This is very slightly higher though. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. Right now, it could be looking as though we will be making a slightly higher point here on the MACD. and it will be coming lower here, right? At this point in time. So with that, we would have, I think we just close the candle. Or we're just opening this new candle. So it looked like as though we're having this strong bear, this tongue twisted there, man. I lost track. What do we have? We have this hidden bearish divergence, potential action to the downside, man. ICX, sure, man. It's already on the list. I just haven't updated it. The DJ Farsant or Prashant. I'm not sure how to say your name. Prashant. DJ Prashant. Yep. DJP, man. Anyways, potential movement down. Let's see if we're gonna get this to turn into a move down on next time. If it moves down, the 20 moving average will be the primary target. I mean, we still have this strong bullish. Usually trumps the bearish divergence, and we'll see where we go from there. Again, sorry guys, my phone's going nuts. Just want to make sure it's nothing urgent. Ooh, diamond hands, huh? Diamond hands. Let's go to near now. Actually, let me update the list real quick. I haven't done that in that. There's a lot of coins that need to be going on the list because you guys are gonna be requesting repeated ones, so I gotta clear and write this down right now. OM, GT, OXT, GRT, Tilray. Bat, Ave, ICX. Let's save this and keep rolling, man. Save. Carthago. UDCing into the dip. Right. Cool, man. Great. Let's keep rolling, man. List should be saved now. I hope. Again, action downside. Let's see where if this is gonna play. Right. Up next, near. See you in a second, man. We'll do Bitcoin after this, man. So 1 second, dude. Let me do near, and then we'll go to Bitcoin, right? Near on the daily, we didn't have anything, right? We said, look, or no, we were looking for something here, back here. Yeah, it didn't play, I guess. So we probably deleted this candle. No, we didn't. I remember what we did here. We're clicking up here and going from here to here, right? So strong bearish divergence still for potential action to the downside against the RSI, and I can't remember if we had this against the MACD. I don't think we had it against the MACD, and that's, yeah, we didn't have it against the MACD. So that's why I was missing data here. And we're sitting bought at 67.19. So let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Brian G, Bitcoin just pumped and possibly moving higher. We'll go check it out in a second, man. Just give me 1 quick second. I'll get through this coin in a flash. Right, high, slightly higher. High here, getting to a resistance. We're gonna check out which resistance it is. Let's see, the 4-hour. That's where we want it, right? So here we go, man. Right after this, I'll go back to Bitcoin, right? So yeah, we'll check it, man. We'll check it, man. That's cool, man. Awesome. It was holding support at 20 on the 4-hour, I think, and we talked about that. So that's pretty cool, man. I like the fact that Bitcoin is pumping. It's a gaining price action. Let's see if we can sustain it. And here I'm missing this stuff here. We had at the last we call here was this hidden bullish here, right? From here to here. So again, with that potential for action to the upside, we're moving up again. Bearish divergence, strong action, downside, low, high. Negative, more negative, some hidden bullish still building up here, right? So from here to, oh, he didn't take. Here we go. From here to here, dude, somewhere, right? I'll pinpoint that a little bit. There we go, man. And then from here to here as well. With that, we have that bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. We also have it against the RSI. And yep, let's see if we can get us back to the 1.618, right? 161.8% of the way. Ooh, it just dumped again. All right, we'll go back to it, man. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. And we're looking at here, probably something bullish. That's fine. And, let's go short term. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. That's great. Bearish divergence just from way back here, though, right? So again, some strong bearish divergence developing here, but it's just against the RSI. So low, lower, negative, more, negative, low, lower, neutral at 48.31. That is, man, that is it for near. Let's go back to Bitcoin because it's a bumping. No name. Which exchange am I using? Right now, I'm not using an exchange. I'm using TradingView. But someone recommended that I check out Kraken, and I'm gonna give them a go and see how good they are, man. So far, I have not been able to get my account to intermediate verification. It's taking them longer than usual, and I guess it's because of the inflow of people that they're having because of Bitcoin moving. So we'll see how that is gonna work, right? So Bitcoin, 45,172. Great, man. Oh, it was awesome, dude. We had bullish divergence, and we were pumping in that. Now we're getting pulled back around the 20. Ding. Great, man. Again, we drew this line when we started the stream, the 43,923. Let's see if we can still manage to go up and pump a little bit more on the Bitcoin. Ethereum probably likely following suit, right? Fazzizzle says that Kraken's slow to respond. We'll see, man. I mean, testing him out, see how that's gonna work, right? And let me check here. I just want to make sure that no one sent me anything here on the chart that I requested. E-Gold? Sure, man. We can check out E-Gold, man. No worries. Dynamic. I'll just put it right after I finish this small recap that I'm doing, right? Someone wanted me to look at something in Ethereum, and I said, yeah, put it on the chart. Send it to me. So I'm not seeing this, dude. Sorry, man. I'm gonna do that, man. Just one quick second. I was looking for a chart. I'll do the celebration, but I don't think that information came through, man. I don't think I'm finding it. So. Yo, Dynamic, thank you very much for the kind donation, man. I really appreciate it, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, bro.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, dude. One up. Yo, thank you very much for the kind donation, man. The $3.99. I really appreciate it, bro. Thank you very much for that. I'm sorry, dude. I was like concentrating here on finding something, and I just said E-Gold Sherman. I just wrote it down where I'm supposed to do it, and I just wanted to find some information as I was going to do a recap. But since I didn't find it, no one sent me that inverse head and shoulder. On the weekly, someone said I didn't see it on the weekly, so I'm gonna go check out E-Gold now. So awesome, dude. Thank you very much for the donation. I really appreciate that. Let's go to E-Gold. Here we go, man. I don't think is this the chart we look at. Yeah, it's this chart. Awesome. Let's go on the daily. E-Gold on the daily again was going really bullish, extremely high. Okay, we're extremely overbought at what was this, 90 something, 96.41. Pulling back down slightly right now. Overbought at 84.16. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. We had the bearish divergence. I don't have the counter here because again, like I said, I exited and I didn't save, so wouldn't have these moves here that match with this move here. So again, bearish divergence is strong. Action to the downside. We're moving down on that. And again, no surprises, right? Target primary at 20. I hit that 20 already. So great. Holding on support. Let me see. I do believe I'm missing fibs to the upside here. And that's also something I got to check out here. Let's get this fibs to also show the 2618, the 3618, and the 4618. There we go. Oh, we got above that 618, and we're actually holding support above there still. So we're between the 3618 and the 2618, which is really cool, man. Anyways, neutral at 58.49 on the RSI. Low, high, negative, more negative. Again, some hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, which again is pretty cool, man. We get it here, and I hit the fib instead of this line. And this line I wanted to see, man. Here we go. And from here to here, man. And yo, again, nothing against the RSI, but against the MACD, some hidden bullish. Probably the reason that we're holding on to that 20 and trying to stay above it. If we manage to stay above that 20, we could be looking for a retest of this highs that we just made here on E-Gold at 208. And even probably retest that 3618 at $225. So that's going to be really cool, man. Test that area. It's going to be nice. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart, I noticed I also lost some data here. First of all, this hidden divergence that we have here is the MACD and the RSI, right? So first things first. Let's get this on the 1 hour, man. And let's get this on the 1 hour, man. There we go. Awesome. So that being said, then we're going high to low, positive, and high to low as well. So the bearish divergence that we had was from here to here, and from here to here. Let me zoom in here. Really gotta see this line. Yeah, slightly lower. So we failed to get higher in the previous high. We were holding on to that 20 very nicely, but failed to get higher in the previous high again. We know we get that continuation. And something that I don't think I drew here would have been this support line here, right? Which we hit a couple times. Once we finally broke it again, we're confirming that that bearish divergence is taking a hold and it's moving us to the downside. So again, moving down on that. Trying to see here. Huh. Cool. I guess this one will work from here to here. There we go, man. There we are. Negative, more negative, and then low to lower, man. Here we go. All right. With that, again, bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. It's hidden. Is it strong here? Yeah, strong bullish divergence here in the short term. So from here to here, some strong bullish divergence. Oh, I think we found it. I'm going to see there, and then from here to here, we're going lower, right? So again, from here to here, we have also that bullish divergence is also here on this small time frame. So here to here, again, strong bullish right now. Potential fraction to the upside. We're just hitting that 20 and we're failing to get above it. We need a little bit more strength to get above that 20, I think. So let's see if we can manage to muster the strength to get higher. We're starting to get a little bit of tightness in the Bollinger Bands. That means the volatility is leaving the market and the moves could be starting to get a little bit more constricted. But once the volatility comes back and hits, those Bollinger Bands are going to expand it and we just could be taking off. So that's it for E-Gold right now. Again, doing really good, man. Thank you for asking about this dynamic motorsport experience, man. I really, really appreciate that, dude. JMA, XRP, sure, man. Why not? And XRP, man. Here we go. There we are, man. That's it. Awesome. Omar, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. And thank you for being here earlier today also, man. Yo, thanks so much. Sorry if I didn't celebrate just on time the donation, man. I was trying to focus on something here that someone was telling me that I asked for it to be sent to me on the Discord. Someone was saying inverse head and shoulder on the weekly for Ethereum. I couldn't find it, and I really wanted to look at it. And I was just digging through the Discord real quick. And but thank you very much, dude. I really appreciate the donation, dude. For reals. I think Binance International is down. Not, yeah, maybe. Up next, EOS, OGN, VGX, and OMGT, I guess. So we're gonna do a couple more coins. Sorry, I'm gonna remove this here real quick. Algorand, sure, why not? Algo. Yo! The Drover, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that, dude. I really appreciate it. There we go. One up, bro. Thank you very much for the awesome donation. I really, really appreciate that, man. Let's yeah, thanks very much for that, man. Let's keep rolling, man. EOS. Right, so let's get the EOS on the daily. We had the bullish divergence, actually the upside, which has been running high, higher, high, positive, positive, high, higher. Everything here is good. Overbought at 76.20. That's the only thing that's not good. It's just overbought. But again, that's normal. It's fine. It's holding on to that support at the 618. That's what we want to see, right? Like breaking above that area, came back down, wick to both sides, spinning top. Again, indecision right now. Move down slightly, trying to pump back up. But again, holding on to support. So very, very nice for EOS. And it's overbought. That's the only thing I don't like, just overbought. But other than that, it's doing good. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here, man. On the Ethereum to Bitcoin. All right, I was looking at Ethereum to the dollar. That's why I was not seeing it. I'll check it out on Ethereum to Bitcoin in a second, dude. And then you said the weekly chart, right? I just want to make sure I have the right data, man. When I do the recap, I'm going to check it out. I just put in my notes. Like you said, it's on the Ethereum to Bitcoin. I was looking at Ethereum to the dollar and I couldn't get it. So I'll see once we get there if we have it, right? So on the 4-hour, man. Strong bearish divergence, extra downside. Move down, hit that 20, taking a bounce again, staying above that one, that 618. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. Nothing bullish right now. Bought at 62.44. We just don't have anything else to hold on or for this bounce. It's just that we hit the 20. We might have something on the 1-hour chart. But that being said, right now, it's trying to hold on to the support. It might come down to it again if we fail to get higher than the previous high. That's it for EOS on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Bearish divergence, actually downside, move down. Look, remember how we said we might have something here? Here, I'm missing this counter to this part here. First of all, let's anchor this one. Then I probably forgot to anchor the one on the bottom to the 4-hour chart. So let's send this one back to the 4. There we go. And then this move here should be that counter also to the top, and just anchor it in the 1-hour. And there, we're good. Everything should be on the 1-hour. Then we went from here to here, and low to high, negative momentum to more negative momentum, and low on the side to lower point. With that, we're creating this bullish divergence fraction to the upside again. Moving up slightly, getting above that 20 again, holding on to that 618 beautifully. Look, we hit the resistance here 1, 2 times, broke above it, right? Held support twice, trying to hold support above that 20, which is really, really cool. Let's see if we're gonna get through it. And high, low, positive, high, low. Neutral at 53.86 on the RSI. So again, right now it does have that hidden bullish divergence, and it should be trying to get above this area here. If it fails to get above this previous high at $4.47, we could still be looking for more action to the downside. So that's it for EOS. Right. So OGN. Here we go. Music stopped again for some reason. All right, let's roll. Right, so first thing I was looking at, see if we had divergence here. Low, or positive, more positive momentum. High, higher, high, and then high, higher still. So again, nothing bearish right now. On the daily, it's still good for OGN. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. I don't know we have looked this spread lately, so low high, low high, high low. So there's some bearish divergence here on the 4-hour chart, dude. And yo, let's check this out here, man. There we go. Strong bearish divergence, actually downside moving down there, man. And low high, negative, less negative, low high, neutral at 55.41. So with that note, we had the bearish divergence move down. We don't have anything bullish right now. We're just neutral. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and see what we have there, man. We're definitely coming up higher here on the price, right? Going higher. And we're starting to move here a little bit lower, right? High to low. And then high to low as well, right? So strong bearish divergence, actually downside. Low, high, negative, more negative. Even if I pick the highest point here of negative momentum here, right? So let's do this in a couple steps, right? From here to here, we were going lower. And we did create some bullish divergence. So from here to here, strong bullish divergence. Actually the upside, we took that insane pump. Now from here to here, it'll be the same if I was anchoring from back here, but you know, from here to here, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And with that, we're trying to move up. We didn't quite hit the 20, retrace, felt to drop lower on the previous low. So we're trying to continue on the bullishness. But again, hidden bullish divergence sometimes does not yield action to the upside, right? Sometimes the outcome is sideways motion, and that's what we're getting right now. That 20 is coming towards us now. And we're trying to determine whether or not we're going to break above it. Tightness of the Bollinger Band's coming back in. That means volatility is leaving the market. And you can tell when volatility is in the market because you can also see that the volume drops massively, right? And when volatility comes back in, right, the volume peaks up. That means we get wild swings, right? A lot of money starts to come into the asset. So we're into a place of contraction here on the Bollinger Bands. Let's see if we can get an explosive move happening for OGN. Let's move on to VGX, which I think VGX, we're not going to find it as VGX, VQX, right? So VQX to the dollar. Let's see what we have there, man. Yo, the false flags.
What's up?
So let's keep rolling here. So let's get in the daily first. Awesome. We had the bearish divergence, moving down on that again, lagging sideways, breaking below that 50% line, holding as resistance now, low, high, negative, more negative. Awesome, dude. So we have some hidden bullish divergence. Bought at 65.43. That's it, dude. Again, trying to move up. We'll see if we can manage to do that right. The graph is coming up a little bit later. I know there's a lot of chat on the graph going on, but again, bearish divergence, strong action downside, moving down since. Look, we're becoming lower and creating strong bullish divergence here. So from here to here, we're going to have that strong bullish divergence for action to the upside, man. Here and from here to here, right? So again, with that. Action to the upside, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. We're getting that small pump, high, low. I'm actually gonna have to zoom in here. Low, high. All right, some mid bearish divergence, fraction of downside. And we start to move down. Again, hidden divergence, action to downside or sideways motion. We move down slightly, but we're more or less moving sideways. Again, we're starting to get tighter in between that 20 moving average and the 50% retrace. And we're going to have to break it away, right? So also we're getting this to channel. Look at the Bollinger Bands. They're very tight. So again, volatility has left the market. Look at the volume. It's also dropping off significantly. Let's see if we can manage to get volume to come back in and have an explosive move happening here, right? So that means volatility is going to come back into the market. Well, let's go to the 1-hour chart. And the 1-hour chart looks so much different, right? We just keep flirting with this area so much. High, low, positive, low, high. So first, from here to here, and from on the bottom part against the RSI, we're going to have some bearish divergence, some hidden bearish divergence, fraction to downside. Move down on that. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, nothing there. Low, high, negative, more negative, some hidden bullish here. All right, boom, boom, and from here to here, here, And here to slightly lower, I guess. So there we go. And are we doing strong bullish here, man, on this last bit? So it looks like we might also be doing some strong bullish here. There we go. Here it is, man. From here to here. And from here to here as well, right? So, here. Again, strong bullish divergence, actually the opposite. High, low, positive, high, low. That's fine. Again, hitting around that neutral zone, or that 20 moving average, and breaking down below it right now. That's it for Voyager, or whatever we're going to call this prize, man. Thank you, Dracula. I appreciate it, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, man. So if I'm gonna try to start speaking a little bit softer. My voice starting to feel off a little bit. So I'll try to see if I can push through. I might not do 30 coins tonight. We might actually cut it earlier. We'll see how my voice keeps feeling by the time we get to 25 coins, right? So very close to on the list. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 3 and 3, so two more coins right now. And then now we'll see, right? Again, we're getting this divergence, right? Action to the upside, hitting that 20 right now. Neutral A at 50.83. Let's go to OM. Someone said OM. I've never heard that one, so I'm not even sure if I'm looking for a coin or a stock here, but OM. I guess is someone requested OM. Are we? Oh, man. I think we're like someone that requested OM. I think they're asking for a stock, so we're gonna do this one OM here. OM at $55.87, man. Mantra DAO, sure, why not, man? Let's get on the list. Do you actually have the ticker for Mantra DAO, or is that the name for the actual like coin here, dude? Mantra DAO, there we go, man. Awesome. New? Sure, let's put new on the list. That's gonna be the last one, dude, so far. So I'm not gonna quite close it, but I'm gonna leave it pending, right? So new. Let's get this here, and it was Mantra DAO and new. All right, and new. There we go. Let's roll, man. Right. Let's get on the daily here for OM. All right, short term looks like downtrend. We did have some bullish divergence here for action to the upside, and we're in this small move here. Negative, less negative with that again. Can that move up? High, low, positive, less positive. Nothing bearish here. Some hidden. No, wait, some strong bearish divergence here on this last bit for OM. Great. With that potential fraction to the downside, right? So that's it for OM, dude. On the daily, let's go on the weekly real quick. No information on the weekly, so daily is the best we can look at. Has some strong bearish divergence within the same island, so again, potential fraction downside. That's the only thing I have going on right now. All right, so let's go and check out I guess the next project, GT. Yo, Like your heart, dude. Thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate it. Fatality, man. Ledger, yeah, I put it up there, man. You said get a ledger goal. I put it on the tip goal, so it's not gonna add it up from the super chat. For some reason, super chat and the other goals are managed separately, so I'm not sure why they do that. But anyways, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it, bro.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that, man. There we go, man. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. Yo, I think I'm gonna go get a quick teaspoon of honey, dudes. My voice is really starting to do a number on me. Like, I'm getting a weird feeling in my throat. Not like pain, but when I breathe in, there's like something small that's bugging me back there. So I'm gonna be right back. Give me one quick second, right? I'm back. Thank you for waiting for me for that small intermission. Again, my throat's starting to hurt a little bit, so got some honey, and I told wife to hook me up with a tea earlier than usual, so I'm gonna keep on rolling, dude. GT. Oh, dude. Yeah. By the way, Lackbeard, dude, thank you very much for the donation, man. I really appreciate it. I'm not sure why it's tagged separately between Super Chat and other donations. For some reason, Stream Elements handles them separately. I cannot add them up. But thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate it. Yeah, let's keep going, guys. I really appreciate everyone for the kind support that you show to this channel and for the donations that you have been giving us tonight. So thank you very much for that, everyone. Yep. Let's keep going, man. Let's roll, man. Again, bearish divergence, potential function of downside. That's what we have here on OM. Let's go to GT. Right on. So some hidden bullish divergence, right? First thing that I'm seeing here on the move. So low to high. And let's get rid of this in the weekly, otherwise it's going to be messy. And then from here to here, right? So that's it. So with that, we have that moving to the upside, low, high, negative, and then higher, high, right? So we also have this hidden divergence here against the RSI. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more here. This is coming from a higher point. So this actually gives us a chance to fib, right? Look at this very nice V-shaped bounce. Almost looking like a dead cat bounce, V-shaped bounce. V-shaped recovery. Where's your fibs, man? My fibs here. Here they go. Awesome fibs, man. Awesome Fibonacci's, man. Crazy. Here we go, man. There we are, man. So yeah, we're hitting that 786, very close to it. We're pulling back on that slightly. So again, not really worried about GT, right? What else is happening, man? Right. So, dude, for some reason my keyboard even shifted languages. There we are, man. Yep. So I guess nothing in the chat. There we go. Is Ethereum from your head and shoulders? Yeah, Philip, I'm actually going to go back right after GT, I guess. And check a quick recap of Bitcoin Ethereum, right? Because someone said Ethereum inverse head and shoulders on the 15-minute, on the weekly chart on the weekly chart for Ethereum. So we're going to check it out against Bitcoin, right? Anyways, hidden bullish, moving up slightly. I don't see anything else here that is bearish on the short term, except the larger move, right? So from here to here. And again, a larger move. I'm talking about since when was back here, October, right? So a couple months of chart motion here. So high to low swallow. There we go, man. That's that. Great. Overbought at 76.74, man. Let's get to the 4 hours. So I'm gonna move this up here, man, and one quick second. And where is this thing, dude? I'm not able to change the metrics, but yeah, we hit that goal, man. Thank you, Virhar, for the awesome donation that you gave this channel, man, to helping us achieve the goal for the Ledger Nano, man. I really appreciate that. And so we hit a goal. There we go. Goal reached. Let's get on the weekly. Low, lower, negative, or negative, low, lower still. High, low, positive, positive, low, high, right? Some hidden divergence here, man. And from here to here, man. That's that. So great. Hidden bearish. We might be looking at some pressure for the price on Goodyear tires, maybe moving down slightly. We'll see. Sitting at $13.99. Let's go do a quick recap, right? If autism had a chat room. You guys are doing crazy comments there, man. This is a sign of a giant W forming on here. I mean, I'm looking at Goodyear, so I'm not sure where you're seeing this giant W. Someone said something about a giant W. Maybe the 1 hour? No, the daily maybe. I don't see the giant W forming, man. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 44,752. We're moving down slightly on Bitcoin. We're probably rejecting that 20 on the... Sorry, I'm not even in Bitcoin, dude. Why, I am in Bitcoin. What? There we go, Bitcoin. It didn't, I had highlighted, it just hadn't switched to it. Thing that needs high for dog. Yeah, I'm gonna do it in a little bit, man. Joel, thank you for asking, man. It's at coin 34 right now. Anyways, some bullish divergence, strong action to the upside. We're rejecting the 20. I don't like that. I really wanted Bitcoin to stay above that 20. Try to pump more, but again, if it comes down and retests support at 43,923, it wouldn't be necessarily a bad thing, right? So now let's go to Ethereum. Someone said Ethereum to Bitcoin, and I do have a couple of Ethereum to Bitcoin charts. Someone said inverse head and shoulders on the weekly, so let's go on the weekly. And they said the larger picture, so I'm gonna go into the larger picture. Sorry, man. Is it this one? Is like I'm actually gonna hide the Bollinger Bands. So hide the Bollinger Bands, and let's get a better chart. So right. So I think the head and shoulders that you're I think I see the head and shoulders that you're talking about, right? So this would be one shoulder. This would be the head, and then this would be the other shoulder, right? I drew a line. Here we go. Let's get the arc tool. Here we go, man. And this would be the other shoulder, right? So who was it that told me this, man? I think it was Independent Mind. So Independent, is this is this the one you were talking about, man? The inverse head and shoulder that you said you saw? Am I spotting it right? All right, cool. So awesome, man. Let's get the neckline traced. We'll be here. We're definitely breaking that neckline, and we should be expecting to see a measure. Oh, there we go. I moved it by accident. Here we go. We should be expecting a measure move to the upside, right? That will be the target of this move for Ethereum to Bitcoin. So from, let's see, low to high here. I'm just going to use the body and to the longest point there. And again, that measure move could be targeting, let's get that there, man. How many sets is it? Let me see how many digits I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so 0, 0. So 5,743,000 sats. I guess that will be the move. That'll be an interesting move, right? So let's keep rolling, man. No name. Thank you, everyone. What's the time? Oh, thanks for being here, man. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a good night's sleep, bro. Ethereum should perform Bitcoin because of this in the short term. Look, I'll tell you something, man. If you ask me which of the two coins is probably going to perform better over the long term, right now, probably Ethereum would be netting you more return on your money than Bitcoin once the market starts rolling, because Ethereum's still at a very accessible price, right? Bitcoin it's at a much higher level, and for you to double your money on Bitcoin, right? If you get in right now at 44,000, you just go to 88,000, right? So it's gonna be very difficult for you to double your money on Bitcoin. It's much easier for you to double your money in Ethereum, and probably even triple it in Ethereum, right? Or quadruple it in Ethereum than it is for you to do it on Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin still has a target of 320,000 towards the end of the year, and I'm not the only one that's saying that. A lot of people are targeting that. We'll see if that's going to be the case. I looked at that on the parabolic advance that we've talked about, and I know that is potentially a target, right? The encryption donations come through on screen. If they're going through coin, no. If they go through OneUpCoin, yes. If they go to Cointree, no. Cointree would be a site that I have to show here, and it'll have to be like this, basically. It would not come on the screen, right? That this is Cointree site, so I'll have to go to messages and look at here and read it out. But if you go through OneUpCoin, on OneUpCoin, it will come through, right? So OneUpCoin will definitely show it, man. Someone said earlier, Korean, you said something, but you said, hey, Martin. So I'm not sure if you're just like saying hi, so I'll say hi back. Or if you need me, if you need my attention, but thank you for that, man. I appreciate it. And thank you for being here, Korean. Batusai. Jake, all right, cool. I'm just making sure I'm not missing anything here. What about that? Transfers, head and shoulders, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and nose and mouth. And head and shoulders, knees and toes. Let's go to XT. What?
SDFGisk, Ulsek, Lajashk, Lask, SDGJ, Elsajk, LDJG, AJ POH Typogyopignps, Nasnoi Puenix Nahina Eatnip Webcam Hip Serin Piagsn Psangazo Pinware Union, Renasik now, Rhino Ronaldo, HPN, Renfod Sinead, 0.
Oh man, my drill's hurting so bad. I don't want to laugh so hard, man. Yo, thank you very much for the kind donation, man. I really appreciate that. Yo, audience, say with me. Legendary, man. Thank you very much, dude. There we go, man. There we go. Awesome, dude. Thank you very much for the kind donation. I really appreciate it. I wish you could, dude. I wish you could laugh a little bit louder, but like my throat's starting to hurt a lot, so I'm trying to control how my voice is coming through. So I think I gotta save my voice a little bit tonight. Thank you very much for the kind donation. I really appreciate it. It's so cool. Let's keep moving, dude. Let's go to OXT now. Up next, OXT, man. All right, so OXT to the USD. There we go. We're looking at the weekly, so let's go back on the daily. Right, OXT, what we're looking at here, man. Bearish divergence, action downside, move down. Hit that 786 spot on, dude. Spot on sitting there. Taking a bounce at support, which is really good. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher still. So on this last bit, high, slightly higher here. And there we go. And here we're coming out, high to low here, right? So bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. Strong bearish divergence here. And on that, we're moving down slightly. Hitting that that 50% retrace and trying to bounce a little bit. You know, not quite a spinning top. The body I would love to see it a little bit smaller for the spinning top, but still a bearish, and we're still moving down on that. So we could revisit that 50% retrace and see where it's going to take us. The 20 moving average, we're probably going to definitely be above it. Yeah, by a long shot. So 20 moving average, not even close to where we're at, man. Do you think Dosh will go to $1,000? No, not in the short term, not in the midterm. It'll take a lot of strength for that to get up there, man. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour, like we're looking at the bearish divergence, or this from the 1 hour. The last thing we had here was hidden bullish. Great. Hidden bullish, potential fraction to the upside, and interesting. Here we go, man. Potential fraction to the upside. And that move we're climbing. High, low, positive was positive, and high to low still, right? So low, high, negative, low, lower on our side, creating more hidden bullish on the movement up. So yeah, we're hitting that previous 100%. It looks like 100% retrace here on the smaller time scale. I'm actually gonna have to zoom out a little bit more for this line. It could be that I have different fibs trace on the daily and the 4-hour, but I don't remember this chart that well as right now. So I'm really looking at it with new eyes, basically. I can't remember last time I actually looked at this in detail, man. So yeah, let's keep rolling, man. Oh, we're the previous zero that we had from way back here. We just haven't been looking at this chart at all. So right. So from high to low, let's see where we're going, right? High to low. There we go. We're gonna see that the low, and that's gonna work as fibs now. And we're trying to get above the 382, and it looks like we're actually holding out as support right now. Great. Actually, on the count that we just moved the fibs, we found as support. Awesome. That's it for OXT on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. I have this on the 1-hour chart. So high, slightly higher, positive, less positive, and high to low. Right? So bearish divergence, fraction to the downside. With that, we're moving down. Low, high, negative, more negative, right? So low, high, and negative 2, more negative momentum, and low, lower on their side as well. So with that, we're looking at this hidden bullish divergence, right? Hidden bullish fraction to the upside. We're pumping great. Hitting that 20, very close to it, and on that move, we're moving down, rejection of the 20 slightly, and high, low, positive, positive, high, low. We don't have anything bearish, but again, felt to get higher than the 20 and higher than the previous high gives continuation to the bearish divergence. Right now, this hidden bullish is bringing continuation, and if you like, I wouldn't panic about this though, right? I would be looking at this as a what? One second, I'll check that in a second. What? Hey, Peterson, 5,000 Tezos, sure, man. Thank you very much for the kind donation, dude. Yo.
Audience.
Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it, dude. Thank you for the kind support that you showed to this channel.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, dude. There we go. One up, bro. We'll do Teslas right after this, man. XTZ, man. I'm putting him on the list. I don't think we had it on the list, so. Oh, man. XTZ, man. Right. Thank you very much, Kevin, for the donation, man. I really appreciate that. Let's keep rolling here. Right. So again, potential triangle forming, right? A little bit symmetrical. So again, slightly upsloping, but symmetrical nonetheless. Could break either way. We're just seeing consolidation happening. Again, we're really expanding on the Bollinger Band still. So not super excited for... There we go. And there we go, man. So I want to check something out real quick. Ooh, we also hit that ledger goal. Again, we like more than doubled the ledger goal. That's so cool, man. Between all the donations that we got today, it's more than double. Thank you guys very much for helping me reach the goals for the channel, man. I really appreciate y'all for that. And thanks for the kind support that you show to this channel. Again, if you guys like what we do, hit like the bell on the sub. There we go. Hit like the bell on the sub. Join us in the Discord, right? Right. So OXT, that's it, right? I'm not seeing anything else. Again, trying to hold on to that support. And let's go to Teslas now. XDZ, man. trying to figure out which chart we'll look at. I think it might be this one. It's definitely this one. I'm gonna get rid of this one here. Here we go. Right, so Tezos, right? We had bearish divergence for action to the downside. I'm almost positive that we're still gonna have it from back here. Nope. From here, nope. We got rid of it. I think we got rid of it. Actually gonna have to make this this thing's larger so I can really check it out, dude. Slightly higher, yep. And also higher here as well, right? So higher, awesome, overbought at 71.03. So yeah, this divergence is gone. Boom, get out of here. That's that. Again, potential moving down on the fact that we should go into high, maybe for a retest of that 236. We already retested it once, but again, retest could still be in store. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what Tezos has. Tezos at $3.98 again, doing really, really good. Here we had bearish divergence from here to here. All right, on the 4-hour, and from to here on the 4-hour as well, right? So again, against the RSI, that bearish divergence. We don't have anything bullish. We took a small pop after hitting that 20, getting above that 236 again. And on this note, we're going slightly higher. And look at this, we're coming lower, right? Positive to less positive, and then high to low as well. That's that. One second, guys. I'm gonna eat another one of this like hauls. See if it helps me out with the throw a little bit. Anyways, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside on Tezos. Okay, again, if you're worried about a drop, set up a stop loss. But the market conditions again for all alts are still extremely bullish, so big chance that we might not get a drop, right? A strong drop still. So let's go here. Tezos, we're looking at this bearish divergence for action to downside on the 1-hour chart. And look at that, right? We are definitely getting this right. We dropped, failed to get higher than the previous high, did we? Zooming more, man. Zooming more. Here we go. High slightly lower, positive spot, positive negative low, or high to low, sorry, on the RSI. And on that note, again, nothing bearish, but we're dropping on the count that we failed to get higher than the previous high, and we had bearish divergence, so drop. Great. After a drop, we created some hidden bullish. From here to here. And from here to here. And from here to here, man. And again, that is just some hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Moving up higher, high, positive, less positive. So and from here to here. So again, we have that strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside on Tezos. So a retest of the 20 would not be something that would be extremely weird to see. That's sitting at $3.77. If we drop that area, we have that 236 to look forward to at $3.65. That's gonna be it for Tezos. Thank you very much for the donation, the request there, man. Kevin, I really appreciate it. Let's go to GRT, the graph up next. The graph, let's check it. Rex says the graph Binance chart might be broken. Yeah, that's because Binance is down right now, apparently, or part of Binance is down. So I'm really just checking. I check it on OKEX, so it should be fine right now. All right. Low, high. Let's get on the daily. I'm on the 1 hour. Here we go, man. Dude, what? It just went extremely bullish. What the hell, dude? 38% gains on the graph. Congrats if you're holding the graph. That's awesome. That's so cool, man. That's such a good amount of gains on this project, bro. Let's get this to show other fibs, right? Like the 2618, the 3618, and the 4618. Because I don't have them here. I'm gotta see where we're floating at. So between that 2618 and that 1618. So again, not bad. Nothing bearish right now. Right, this one just moved down slightly and then burst through again. Like I said, conditions are extremely bullish, right? Yeah, so good on GRT, right? A lot of people liking the girth now. There we go. High, higher, positive, and then high, higher, high. Overbought at 81.99. Again, there's nothing bearish to look at here. Went down, didn't quite hit that 20. Right, try to go up, hit that 20 finally, and then boom, burst. Great. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Let's check this one out here. Right. It's low, high, positive, more positive, and high, slightly higher high. Nothing bearish, man. Nothing bearish. Low, high. Are we doing some hidden bullish, man? Maybe hidden bullish. Give me something. Give me something to look at. Then here we go. All right. Hidden bullish. I think that's what the narrative is going to be, right? Negative, more negative. What?
Killing it as always, fam. We all move into Mexico.
Yo, the false flags. Thank you very much for that awesome donation, dude. I really appreciate it, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, guys. Thank you very much for that, dude. I really appreciate it. There we go. One up, bro. Thanks so much for that. So cool, man. Let's keep rolling, man. One quick second. Tease here. We're back. The wife with the awesome T Connect, man, because yeah, the throat it's really doing a number today, man. Oh, there we go, man. That's cool. Great. So we have this hidden bullish divergence. I always said the narrative was going to be for this. Look, low to high, right? And we're matching against this move here. So with that, possibilities for action to the upside, right? Do we have it here as well? Yep, we also have it here as well. Great. I need to get that Tony the Tiger, man, saying they're great. Let's see here, man. Is it going slightly higher? Slightly higher. And also slightly higher. High, high, positive, and high, high. That's it. There's nothing bearish on the short term. Hitting bullish, making us go up, dude.
Hey, Martin. Been away and just joined. Thanks for covering near. Would you take a look at GRT? It had a great daily candle close and still looking strong.
Yo, Todd, thank you very much for the kind donation, dude. I really appreciate that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. There you go. One up, bro. Thanks so much for that. I really appreciate it, dude. Thanks so much. I'm actually doing the graph right now. I already covered near. I'll recap it for you, man, in a second. And I'm doing the graph. So thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate it. And let's keep it rolling, man. Let's keep rolling with this. The graph, again, it has nothing here that is bearish. I'm not seeing anything bearish here. Maybe the 30-minute might have some bearish divergence. I'm saying might. I'm not even sure if it's going to have it. But I would be expecting to see something on this area here on the half-hour chart. I'm going to go check it out right now and see if we have it, right? So, next price target. Yeah, we'll talk about it in a second, man. For the next price target, I need to look at the daily, though, right? And look, this is the move I was telling you that we could expect to find the divergence and more or less, you know, ballparking it there on the half-hour chart. But here we go. That move there, and then this move here. Look, boom, boom, right? So right now we're having this strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside, and that's more or less what I was expecting to see. We could still try to go on higher and negate it, and that'll be fine. But right now, I was thinking that we're going to get it. And, you know, a slight move to the downside, maybe, right? So I think we're at 5th level right now. Yeah. Next price target, I'll tell you in a second. Yeah, I'm doing it with the fibs, actually. Fib retraces, right? Next one is at 1.59, dude. 2618, up there, man. Right? So that's going to be it for the graph again. Nothing on the daily for bearish divergence. The 4 hour I think is also clear of bearish divergence. Had this one move down again, found the support and bounce. Nothing bullish either. And the 1 hour is just going insanely high on this hidden bullish divergence. That's the only thing it has, man. That's the only thing I can find that it has. I'm gonna do a quick near recap, Todd, because you requested that. But let's go near and far. Your super chat didn't go through? Yeah, it came through, man. Did you not see it play? You might be lagged on the stream. It did show up as an alert, dude. It was this one. I'll replay it for you, man. It was here.
Hey, Martin. Been away and just joined. Thanks for covering near. Would you take a look at GRT? It had a great daily candle close and still looking strong.
It played. Just replayed it, basically. Let's check something here, man. All right, there we go, man. Let's keep rolling. Carl's here? Who's Carl? I'm not sure who Carl is, but thanks, man. Again, high, higher, positive, and high, higher. Dude, that's it for the graph. Again, I'm going to recap. What was it that you requested to near? Let's go to near, man. Let's check near out, man. Near to tether. There we go. Near head. Bearish divergence. So very, very strong bearish divergence. Direction downside. It's starting to flag again. Not super worried about it. Hit the 1618. On the daily, it looks like it hit the 1618. Very close to it. And retracing a little bit. That's fine. Bought at 67.05. Let's go to the 4 hour chart, man, and see what's going on here. What? Right, phone's starting to go nuts a little bit, so I was just making sure it's like no emergency or nothing like that. So low, high, low, positive. Yeah. So strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside. We're creating this hidden bullish. We called it out a little bit earlier, and we said, look, we're here live. So look, potential action to the upside, sideways motion. We're moving sideways. We're still below that 20 moving average. So again, chances of the hidden bullish going higher than the previous high could be there if we get above that 20, but until then, could be strong with that. So neutral at 53 point on the dot, 53. So we're neutral on the other side. Let's go to the 1 hour chart again. In the 1 hour chart, we had the strong bearish divergence, action downside, move down. We created some hidden bullish. Did we not do near on the 1 hour? Did I skip near on the 1 hour? It seems that I should have called this one. No, wait, I didn't. I know why, because I just forget about that, guys.
Sorry.
My bad. I know why I didn't call anything there. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Everything's going down, dude. What the hell, dude? Let's keep rolling. GNS, dependent mind. Yo, okay, cool. A lot of chat going on. You weren't watching live? I assumed that, and I was actually going to type it out to make sure you were watching live or not. I was gonna say, was a dot red, and then I deleted everything. I'm just gonna say, yeah, it played. So I just went with the short message there, man. But I really appreciate it, dude. Thank you very much for the kind donation. I replayed it. So I played it. You played it once when it came through, and then I replayed it for you to hear it again. But thanks for being here, man. I just recapped Near and GRT. I hope you got to see them, man. I really appreciate that. And let's move to Tilray. Someone asked for Tilray. A lot of the weed stocks were going up, so. Ooh, it's moving down to the aftermarket. Ooh, interesting. Let's go to the daily first. What's going on? Huge move to the upside, man. All right, so it opened up here, right? The opening is higher than the closing. It's still a green candle because we gapped up and we opened up. So we're still doing positive from the prior day. So higher, positive, more positive, higher. Overbought at, dude, 94.15? Yeah, 94.15. So highly overbought. Remember, on a bull market, you can be overbought and stay overbought for a long time. So again, when you're extremely bullish, being overbought becomes meaningless sometimes. So it's being overbought. Not seeing anything wrong with it here right now. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Sorry, the weekly, because we're off. We're up there. We were looking for some bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence. We did move down slightly on that, and then just burst through with a lot of power and strength. That's actually a really massive candle. 148% on Tilray. I'm not gonna find anything bearish here. Look, high, higher, positive, more positive, right? And then high, higher on the other side. This divergence that we were looking for, it did move us down slightly for 2 weeks. And that was it, man. That's all she wrote. Let's go to the smaller time scales. Let's go to I mean, I rarely go into the smaller time scales. I'm not going to find anything bearish. It's going to be hard for you guys to see because all the yellow going on there. But high, higher, positive, more positive, and high to a higher point on the RSI. So nothing here, man. Who requested Tilray? I can't remember. I don't write the names on the request. But if you requested Tilray, I'm going to be doing stocks tomorrow at 1. Come back and request it, and I'll look at it in the 5-minute on the 1-minute chart as well. Right now, I'm not going to look at those because the market's already closed. We could look at those. We're not going to find anything that's going to move right now. Cardano Gecko banned? Sure, man. Let's do banned. The list is on pause, though. I'm going to queue it. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to it. My throat's not doing that good right now. Right? That's what I said earlier. So I'm just going to put it there. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get to it, right? Gordon Gecko, thank you very much for being here, man. I really appreciate it. To everyone that's in the channel.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Well, let's keep rolling, man. Bat. Let's go to Bat, man. I think this one was requested by Batosai. He almost always requests the Bat. How's the Bat doing, man? That's BNT. That's not the one I want. Here it is, Bat. Awesome. Let's get on the daily on Bat. Right. So the daily, we're looking for some bearish divergence here. It managed to pump a lot more. So that one's completely gone and didn't play. We're also looking against it here and here, right? So the one we had was this one, played down, found support at the 20, even that 236 pump, bounced a little more. Then would have tracked down onto there, that tracks onto there, and that tracks onto there. So, yeah. Strong bearish divergence still moving down, finding support now at the 50. The 50% retrace of the fips, right? The half right here, the 0.5. And with that, we're finding support getting above. I'm not seeing anything bullish, right? Negative, less negative here, low to high. Everything's looking good. So it's just any bull move, right? On an uptrend. So it's looking good right now. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. Overbought at 74.89. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. High, slightly higher, right? And here we're going to have some bearish divergence. So let's anchor this in the 4-hour chart. There we go, man. Then had a low and had a low as well. Great. So bearish divergence, strong potential fraction to the downside. Do we have fibs for this? We have fibs, right? Yeah, we looked at fibs. We're above 100% high. And by 100%, I was looking at this high without including the wicks, which is fine. I was not accounting for that volatility. And now we're on basically price discovery mode because it's making all-time highs. Great, dude. Dude. Yeah, we have the fibs to the upside. So awesome. What's their target, man? Target is the 1618 at 0.53. That would be a next target, right? 0.53 cents. And after that, 0.76 at 6618. That is if we manage to get to that 1618 and not reject it hardcore. So again, on a bull trend. Nice. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Again, strong bearish divergence. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Neutral at 57.32. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Sorry, guys, getting a message here real quick. I gotta check it out really quick. Like or Sarah Crypto. Can you check out your Ethereum wallet? Carl said he sent a donation, but it never came through. Sure, man. Yeah, I can check it out. Did he send it through the coin tree or the or the just the regular one? Let me open up the email, man. I should be getting that confirmation right now on the email. Thanks for letting me know, Lickbeer. Yeah, I'll definitely check it out. So, I don't remember which email address I have set up with Coinbase. I think it's this one. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, I got a donation here. What the hell, dude? Yo, that's insane, man. That's crazy, bro. Damn. Yeah. I got a big donation coming through. I'm not sure why it's not coming through on this. I'm not sure if it came through. I'll show it in a second here for you guys to see, but I'm just trying to figure out why it didn't come through here. Did it go to Cointree or did it go through the other one? Let me go to Cointree. No, it probably went through One Up Coin. So weird that it's not coming through. Maybe it might be taking time to confirm. But whoa, I got a big donation, man. Check that out, guys. That is freaking insane. Someone just sent, I think Carl sent a huge donation for like 1 Ethereum, dude. Can you believe that's insane, man? I think that's like the highest like single amount donation we ever got on this channel, man. 1 Ethereum, dude. Carl.
Audience, say it with me.
Freaking legendary, man.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for that, man. So many one-ups, dude. That's so cool, man. Yo, that's the whole Ethereum, dude. That's so cool. Thank you very much for the kind donation, Carl. I really appreciate it, dude. That's so freaking insane, man. Yo, hype horn. Yes, we'll do the hype horn, dude. That's so crazy, man. I'm not sure why it didn't come through, man. That's weird. All donations play, man. All donations play, except the ones that go through Cointree. Those are the only ones that don't play. I'm also not seeing it here, man, right? Like here, the last one I have is from Todd. So I'm waiting for it to come through, man. Full-time streaming? Not yet, man. Not yet. There's many things to consider before I actually do this full-time streaming. One of them is right now we're in a bull market. So we're gonna wait for it to see how the stream does, or how the stream performs in the bear market, and how many subs we have by then. So yeah, that's so awesome, dude. That's your pal from Slack. That's awesome, dude. Thank you so much for that. Like that is so crazy, man. Yo, Brian, thank you for that, man. I appreciate the comment, dude.
Thank you very much.
Yo, Soka doing the dab, dude. There we go, man. I cannot do it in stream full, but I get cut off by the camera there, man. Awesome, dude. That's so freaking cool. I wanted for it to play out, man. I wonder if it's gonna play out. It should be coming through, man. It's just insane. Yo, you discovery brand. I'm secretly a stripper. Oh, dude, that's so freaking insane, man. That is a huge donation. I'm waiting for it to play out, dude. I'm expecting it to play out, dude. I'm not sure why it didn't play out. That's so freaking weird. Everything plays, dude. Everything, and this almost didn't get recognized. That's just weird. Like, it should have been coming in through here. Oh, it's so awkward, man. Dude. Yo, Carl, if you're still here, thank you very much for that, man. I know he won't have you on that one, but you know, it's still like the super chat goes weird, man. Latest tip. See, it doesn't come through as latest tip though. I wish it was coming through as latest tip. I'm gonna have to manually add it there, man. I'm trying to see something here real quick. So this is highest tip. You're still the highest tipper, man. I think so. You have 1,774. He sent how much? 1,721. You're up by like $50, bro. You still have highest tipper by $50, but that tip has to come through, and that's gonna be the highest tip, not the highest tipper. So yeah, you're the highest tipper by far, and the highest tip, it'd definitely be that one, man. A single hit, bro. Damn, that's so high, dude.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. I'm not sure why it didn't play, man. Maybe like it broke the system. Buy a new headset with some of that money? I will, man. You're in a call with him? Tell him that I thank him very much for that, man. I will. I already have one on I already set my eyes on one, and I'll show you which one it is, man. Because I was looking at it a couple of weeks ago. It was just sold out, but this is the one I think I'm gonna get. I saw some people have good comments about this one. This is a Steel series, and it's the Arctix Pro, and it comes with this. Let me see if I can anchor that here on Amazon. There we go. It comes with 2 batteries that you can just switch in and out. So you always have one of them charging here on the small square that's right there on the center, more or less, of the... You can see there. There we go. That's the small square. You have a Cloud Flight? Dude, yeah, let me know the review on that one, man. Oh, Brent. No, dude, that just buys like even a pole, bro. Yo, that's crazy, man. Yeah, I think about getting this one. This one apparently can plug multiple channels into, right? So it's who had this one? Harris Heller, I think, had this one. And I was looking at it, right? It has lightning in, line out, DC, USB, optical in, optical out. So you can have like, you know, your PC, your PlayStation, and something else there. And it all connects very nicely. And I was really thinking about getting this one. And it's supposed to be a really good wireless headset. So it was either this one or something else I was trying to get. I can't remember which one it was. It was something that, you know, artists use for monitoring. That's not so expensive, but I'm still like checking out which one I'm gonna get. This one is the one that I was really looking for, and I think I'm gonna get that with that, bro. I'm not sure. Like, I might keep that amount in Ethereum and I just use some of my money to buy that, I guess, or maybe I sell some of the Ethereum to buy this. I'll figure it out, man. But thanks for the donation, dude. I really appreciate that. I'm definitely gonna get this, man. I'm gonna see if I can get him in Mexico though, because this is for the US, and in Mexico they were also sold out. So I gotta see if I can find them in Mexico, dude. They're probably gonna be a little bit more expensive. See if I can find them here, man. Things in Mexico tend to be a little bit more expensive because of the exchange rate, import fees, and everything else, right? So, oh, now Amazon's not working. Is my internet going down now or what? Come on. Okay. All right, there's something's off, dude. My internet's not working, dude. Yo. Yeah, dude, it was so exciting. I even forgot to bring out Seamus. Here's Seamus, man. Thank you, Brent, for reminding me of Seamus, bro. He was hiding. There we go. I should be back on, guys. What is this thing? For some reason, OBS thought it would be a funny moment to disconnect me. So, yeah. Yeah. Great, we're back. Thank you for being here and sticking with me through that, man. I was talking about the headset. And, yeah, I have my eyes on this Steel series. I'm not sure if I want to get this one or not yet. But I tried to open Amazon and it crashed, dude. For some reason, Amazon doesn't want to open it. Here we go. Amazon Mexico. That's the one I need to look at and see if I can find the Steel series. It would be Arctix Pro. It should be this one's. No. Yeah, it looks like that one, but here we go. Steel Series Arctix Pro. Here we go. But they don't have the black ones. And see, it's just only through resellers. And dude, they want 13,000 pesos for them when they're like 6,000 pesos. So in Mexico, it's super expensive to buy this. I'm trying to find them in another website or get them or buy them in the US. I'm not sure. I might buy them tonight, and I think my dad's gonna go to Mexico soon, so might be able to sneak these into somewhere and get them shipped to me sooner, I guess, or soonish. I'll check it out, dude. But for reals, it's gonna be really cool, man. yeah, headset is on was on the to get list actually. So I know I was looking at Amazon Mexico. Thanks, man. I know what you're saying there. Oh, dude, to you I'll say, you're funny, Brent. Very funny. Let's keep rolling, man. I was gonna look at something here. I need to get the poll. Have you guys voted yet to what's gonna be the next upgrade for the stream? That wasn't shipping to Mexico, dude. That was just like some guys taking advantage. That there's probably a shortage of this in the market. Amazon US, I've seen them. I just haven't seen them in Amazon Mexico, right? So, oh, thanks, Jake. You just sent me the link. I'm gonna see where we're at, man. So, we did get a poll as to what would be the next update for the stream. It's gonna look very small here, so we're gonna zoom in. The options are better camera with capture card and lens, so you can see me better. A better headset, which now I just been basically told that I should use a donation to buy that, so that's gonna go off because we're not gonna do that as a goal now. We just basically got that goal, which is really cool, and improved lighting, which is gonna be the next one. So I think we have a better camera with capture card and lens. It's winning right now with 10 votes, and then the ones are there. So if you guys are interested in voting, go check it out, go vote, and let us know what improvement you want to see next on the stream. Thank you for being here, man. And stick with me. You want Disco Alliance. Let's keep rolling, man. Stream lost again? No, I hope not. Oh, man, I hope not. It tells me that I'm fine, dude. I'm seeing the KBPS, the KBS that I have here, and they look good, man. Yeah, the stream's fine. Thanks, Montero. Yo, it's crazy, dude. Wow, I finished making money in India and GRT, and I'll bring that. Yeah, that's crazy. Let me keep rolling, man. Bat. Sorry if I got distracted there with this donation didn't come through. It hasn't come through on this thing, dude. I'm not even sure if Stream Elements recognized it. It probably broke it. It's like, what? What is this sorcery? No one gets that out of the donation. I wish I could play it, man. I really wish I could play that. It's so crazy that it just didn't show, man. It's sad. It's so sad. Not for real, it's sad that it didn't play, but it's insane, dude. That is a huge donation, bro. Thank you very much, Carl. I'm not sure if you're still here, but if you're still here, thank you very much for that. And Lackveer, dude, please tell Carl, thank you so much for that awesome donation. I really appreciate it, dude. So let's keep checking here, man. Low, dude, what is this closing here? 0.45, okay, 0.40, and then 0.45, 43, 0.40, 560, so 43, slightly lower, right? So it is like almost not there, right? But it is slightly lower, and yeah, I was really hoping it was gonna be slightly higher and have that hidden bullish, but we don't have that, man. Dude, thanks so much for that. I really appreciate that. And thanks for letting him know, Blackbeard, dude. I really appreciate that. Is it for the reaction, dude? Yeah, I mean, sorry if it was delayed, dude. It just didn't come through. I was really hoping it was going to play out. But, you know, tell him it was so cool, man. I really appreciate that. Yo, now I'm like, I'm like, what the hell, dude? It's so crazy, man. Damn, dude. That's insane. I guess now this... I know it's not a direct sponsorship, and I was going to say, now this stream is being sponsored by Carl. And the other company that we were talking about yesterday, Slack, but I can't say that because it's not really a sponsorship. That's so freaking insane, dude. That's so cool. I wish I could be able to say that, but I can't. Because, yeah, it's, dude, it's so crazy. It's like, oh, man. Yeah. Insane, dude. I'm trying to, like, process it still. Yeah, we're neutral at 56.49. That's it. Yeah, dude, that's it for bat, dude. Yeah, let's go Aave now. The hell, dude? I'm still like thinking about it, man. It's so crazy. Oh, man. Oh, man, that's so insane, man. It's really, really crazy, man. I wish it would have played, man. I wish it would have come through this thing, man. I'm actually checking on Stream Elements and see if it even registered here. Like, it didn't register today. It hasn't registered on this thing. Like, even here on their site, that is the last donation from Todd, right? It gives me the breakback of the breakdown of the donations. Last one's this one, right? It doesn't show me the other ones. So that's just insane, dude. That is not showing. That's crazy. What? Dude, damn. Let's get to the daily, man. I want to try to get through this now. We're looking at bearish divergence here yesterday. Action to the downside. We did get it. We did drop slightly down for it. High to low, and then also high to low here, right? So high to low. There we go, man. Again, bearish divergence. Action to the downside. We're starting to move down right now. It's red. It's a red candle, man. Oh no, I forgot to anchor. I forgot to remove the anchoring from the 1 hour chart, man. And let's keep rolling, man. Let's keep rolling here, man. Here we go, and here we go, man. That's so insane, man. Overbought at 80.25. Dude, I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to sleep tonight, man. Like, my mind's gonna be going nuts. Yo, that's crazy, man. It's like insane, man. That's so crazy. Yeah, let's keep rolling through this, man. Let's keep trying to push through this. Look, everything that I had moved yesterday didn't save, right? So all this I had sent, I believe I had sent to the 1 hour. It's probably not there, but this is insane, man. Bro, that's yeah. Not sure what to say, man. I'm at a loss for words, and that's weird. So that's yeah. the false flags, like Vera Santa. I'm like, yeah, legit stunned on that one. Yeah, still trying to process it. That's such a huge amount, man. Yo, it's crazy. That's so crazy, dude. Fudge, dude, that's so insane. So, on the 4 hour, man, we have strong bearish divergence, fraction of downside, right? And, yo. I'm not sure, man. It should be fine, I guess. Arden Yuck. Are you lagging? It reloaded, maybe, and it could work for you. That's so crazy, man. Low, high, negative, let's say high, neutral at 6.20. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's weird. I'm still thinking about that, man. Low, high, and then Yeah. Dude, negative, more negative, right? Some hidden bullish. Action to the upside, potentially hitting that 20, rejecting, trying to get it go to 20. And it looks like it's rejecting again. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Yo, insane, man. Yeah. All right, so neutral at 50.12, dude. Yeah, that's it for Aave, man. Again, potential fraction to the upside on that. We're rejecting the 20, trying to see if we can get above that area and then still climb there, man. ICX. Can you give my 0.2 Ethereum donation to Jake and Soka? Yeah, man. For sure, man. I'll forward that to Soka and Jake. No worries, man. Soka, Jake, you just got a massive tip, bros. Is he gonna get each, I guess, 0.1 Ethereum? Dude, that's crazy, man. I'll send you guys that as soon as the stream is over, man. That's insane, man. Yeah. You think so, Soka? I'm like, yeah, trying to like gather composure here so I can keep on going with this, man. Oh, man. Yeah, dude, blue screen of death. Dude, that's Aave. Let's go to ICX, man. 1.46, $1.46, man. Dude, that's crazy, man. Hello and hello as well. Again, we have this bearish divergence for potential action downside. Strong bearish divergence in ICX on the 1 hour chart. Let's see if we can move down on that. Again, low, high, negative, or negative, right? So, my mind is like really trying to process the whole thing right now. We still have this hidden divergence here against the MACD pumping on that, and right now we have strong bearish. We'll see where that goes, man. Thanks, Lockbeard. I really appreciate that. I'm a bit stunned, man. I'm trying to move, but dude, that's crazy, dude. We're bought at 77.74, dude. Let's go to the 4 hour. I think I started here on the opposite end of the spectrum. Again, higher, more positive, higher. We're bought at 84.40. Let's go to the daily, man. More higher, more positive. And now we're bought at 83.37, dude. That's it. Nothing here on the daily in the 4 hour. Just the 1 hour has bearish divergence. That's what we're gonna go with for ICX, right? You see about when Ethereum hits 10K? Yeah, dude. I know it's gonna be insane. Bro, that's crazy, man. All right, let's move, guys. I gotta keep on moving. Let's do XRP now. I think I'm shaking it off now. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's keep rolling, dude. Let's get back on the saddle. And let's keep rolling through this. Let's plow through XRP, man. XRP 51.42 cents on the daily. It's still within that channel, right? That 54.81 cents and that 47.54 cent. High, slightly higher, positive, less positive. Starting to create that strong bearish divergence here on XRP. Again, on this small move, potential fraction to the downside again. It's performing okay right now, right? Again, I think the only thing it has going against it is the SEC lawsuit. And once that gets settled, we get settled outside of the court, it could be bullish for XRP, right? Particularly if it does not get declared security. So it could pick up a lot of momentum on that, right? On the 4-hour, we're looking for divergence here. Bearish. We didn't have it. This spike just killed it, right? And then here we don't have it against the RSI as well. So we're shaking off whatever divergence we were looking for, and that's fine. Again, pump to that 54.81 again. We're still within that range, so that's fine. And right now we're almost in the middle of the range, so 51.43. Neutral at 63.23. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. High, slightly higher, possible, right? High, higher, high, low, possible, positive, high, low, low, high. Great, some divergence here. Remember, we were tracing this as a support line. We did slightly break it, but we got back above it. Look, I'll extend that to you here. You'll be able to see this, right? There we go. So on this line, we did create some hidden bullish divergence, and that's what basically got us back above it and holding it as support, because we broke it for a candle and we recovered it on the next candle, and that's pretty good. That's bullish, I would say. And now we're trying to find support at the 20, and look at this, right? This hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside. We didn't have anything bearish. We had bearishness to here, right, to this part here, but after we pumped a little bit more, I think we got rid of whatever bearishness we were looking for. Now let's just go here real quick. Yeah, everything's lower and this previous high, so that's fine. We didn't have anything bearish after that, right? So we moved down, hit that support line, hit the 20 and bounced. That's great. We got rid of this one. There we go. And neutral at 54.85. That's it for XRP, man. Let's move to Algorand. Trying to check out the chat real quick, make sure I'm not missing anything. Yo, that's cool. Anyways, there we said Algorand. So let's do Algorand, man. Here we go. 1.15. When did we last look at Algorand? A while back. We're looking for bearish divergence, move down that, found support at 52.46 and pumped. Now we're getting above the 1618, which is fine. High, higher, positive, more positive than high, to a higher point on the RSI. So overbought at 83.13, but nothing bearish there. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, high, higher, positive, less positive, high, low. We're creating strong bearish divergence, but again, just keep in mind that this bearish divergence that we're developing, it is towards the new momentum island, right? It's starting to build, so there's a big chance if you can continue building and make it more positive momentum. From here to here, we had strong bearish divergence on this short move that I just drew, and that brought us down, found support at the 20 with the hidden bullish, right? And this hidden bullish divergence here for potential action to the upside. Did I forget to anchor on the 4-hour, man? I think I might have forgotten to anchor here, man. Yep, I forgot to anchor, man. Clean up. Here we go. Quick clean up on the charts. Here we are, man. That's that. And clean up this one as well real quick. Sorry about the cleanup, guys. If I don't do it, the 1-hour chart's gonna be really messy, and rather do it right now than go to the 1 hour and have a mess to show for. But anyways, again, we had this divergence to here, right? And from here, that hidden bullish that's making us pop. But this divergence, like I was saying, tracks to there, right? And this tracks to here now. So we're overbought at 70.23. Again, potential correction to downside. Let's see if this is actually going to keep us moving, keep on moving us down on Algorand. So that's it for Algo. Let's go to Mantra DAO now, I guess. So we're going to check it out if we can find that one. Sorry, this is the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. It's getting lost still. Dude, high, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. High, low, negative, more negative, and low, lower. Still sold at 47.37. That's it. Starting to rally. So nothing bullish right now. Just from way back here. Again, I don't like to draw very, very large lines on the 1-hour chart. But this would seem to be what we're getting for that hidden divergence. We would also had hidden divergence from here to here and from here to here. Right, so with that potential action to the outside, we moved up again, created bearish divergence up here, and moving us down. I was looking here at the short term, see what we had, but we didn't have anything there, man. Had a low as well, right? Had a low, there we go, man. Great. Again, hidden bullish, running on that. We don't have anything bearish. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Overbought at 78.28. Let's go to Mantra DAO now. Yeah. Let's go here. Mantra DAO to Tether, I guess. So let's see how it's doing then. Let's go on the daily on. We have never looked at this before, so it's gonna be interesting. Retracing, yes. Is it making a valid retrace? I don't know yet. We gotta check it out. So let's go. Oh, that's the curve. I didn't want to do that to it. There we go. Hello. Not valid retrace yet from the high, so I'm gonna anchor to a lower high. I'm gonna consider this to be the local high then. See where we're at with respect to fibs. So high to low, hitting that 3 to 2, and right now we're actually finding a resistance there, so that's fine. On that note, that's it for fibs. We have other areas of support here, or resistance that we're looking at. Maybe some resistance up here, where we actually wicked Alt H. Why am I calling resistance there? Look, we get wicked very close to this area, and we I did move it down a little bit. Sorry, guys. Let me move the mouse where I wanted to see it. There we go. Right, so we wicked this area, and then we hit resistance here a couple times back here on the chart, right? So I'll zoom in a little bit more. So you guys can see this here, right? So because we resisted this blue line so many times, and even on that wick, I'm considering that area to be resistance at 0.18, and we just hit it right now again. So there's some resistance for OMU to US. What is this? Oh, this was OM. All right, cool. Someone said OM earlier. I didn't know which one it was, but Mantra DAO, I guess. Right, so OM to USDT, right? That's it. Again, hitting that 3 to 2 and moving down slightly. So high, higher, positive, high, higher, right? That's it here, man. I'm not gonna call anything else, dude. Status motion. Bought at 61.27. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. What we have here on the 4-hour chart? High, higher, positive, high, higher still. So high, low, positive, high, low, neutral. So bought at 60.24. Low, high, negative, more negative. All right, so I'm hitting bullish. That's the only thing I'm spotting here real quick on this chart. I mean, from here to here would have been strong bullish and then pumped, but the nearest thing that I'm spotting is this hidden bullish, and then it'll be from here to here, and it will be the same anchoring point I would use, like high to a new high on the island, right? And also back here on the RSI. So from here to here, that's a straight shot. So again, we have that bullish divergence, hidden action to the outside, pumping up, and high low, positive, and high low. Again, nothing else happening here. We're just climbing up slightly, rejecting that 382. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and see what we have there, man. Paul D audio. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get to audio, man. I only have one more coin to go, and I did put the list on pause because my throat is killing me today. We'll see if I'm able to get through it, right? So I might be able to get through two more coins. So Bandit audio, and that's probably gonna be it, man. Did I even forget to anchor again? Jesus. Here we go, man. And there we go. Right. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Awesome. High, higher, high. Great. Look at this, right? Boom, boom. Here we go. The 1-hour chart. Here we go, man. High to low. And high to low as well. Coming up slightly higher still. Had a low still, and then also had a low, right? So a lot of strong bearish divergence building here for potential for action to the downside, man. So on that note, we're looking for some bearish divergence, right? Potential for action to the downside. Let's see if we're gonna get it, man. Bob Mo in the house. Bob Mo, thank you for being here, man. It's a good day, man. Someone tipped in Ethereum, dude. It's insane. And then like VRR, also tipped a 0.2 Ethereum and I think it was a 300 Canadian dollar donation or $200 Canadian dollar donation, 200 Canadian dollar donation. So yeah, it's been a super cool stream so far. And I'm just basically digesting the whole thing that in Ethereum just came through on the stream, man. It didn't show up, dude. That's the sad part. It didn't show up through stream elements, which really, really sucks. But damn, that was interesting, dude. That was wow. That's all I had to say. Yeah, I know. Right, so moving down. Neutral at 56.30. So yeah, nothing here on the bullish side, just a strong bearish developing here for OM. Let's go to new. Here we go, new at 52.84 cents, dude. Let's get on the daily. How do I stop staring at the Bitcoin graphs all day long? You sell your crypto, I guess, and then you stop staring at the graph. Or just put it away for holding and then don't care about it. New, we had bearish divergence. It's one of those things that because we had it, we lost it, right? Look, high to low, we pulled back down. So we no longer have anything here on the daily. Great. High to low, positive, high to low. Bought at, overbought at 81.36. So by the way, Jake's spamming a link right now for a poll. Please participate in the poll. It's gonna help us. It's gonna help us set up the next target for the stream, which again, it's gonna be things that make the stream better, right? So on that note, new. Let's go to the 4-hour new and see what's going on here, man. Again, with my buddy here, Leprechaun, it makes it a little bit weirder to be able to stream. He just wants to keep on hugging to the headset, and it just makes really weird noises in my ear, man. So let's see this, man. All right, cool. So we're creating some hidden bullish still, which is the good news, right? For me to hear, and that's what we're still managing to hold on to, that 20, and it's like we just keep on bouncing at it. Almost every candle has bounced at the 20, and that is just basically telling us that we don't want to go lower. But on the other side, the flip side of this is that the fact that we just keep on bouncing at the 20, it just means that we're gonna eat up whatever support we have there. The more we test it, the more likely we are to break it, right? So there's two opposite ways of looking at this, right? And we look at this, we've been bouncing at the 20 consistently. Almost every candle has hit there, man. All right, so great, man. Oh, dude, the false flags. I'm not sure I get the comment, man. What do you mean? Can you explain that? High, low, positive, high, low. Neutral at 55.99. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We had bearish divergence here, right? For potential action to downside. And moving down on that. Low, high. Dude. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Low, high, negative, less negative. Right, we had some hidden bullish. Awesome. From here to here. Going slightly higher. And from here to here, definitely coming much lower. So again, Brent, yeah, no, I don't think that's gonna go through, man. Again, we're having a resistance line here. I'm gonna show you which resistance I'm talking about because it's one. I think it's one we're hitting right now. Actually, gonna use the wick for this. Right, but look at this wick, right? So we've just been resisting this line consistently, right? And we kind of broke it here, but that's fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 touch points, and we just keep on rejecting. So we have a resistance overhead, and it is that line I just drew. So let's see if we can manage to get above that area with new. We have the hidden bullish. It's not if we get above that area, that hidden bullish triggers and it goes higher, right? But being that we have strong bearish divergence before that, it could be that we're still bearish and it might still want to move down. So we'll see, man. Farid, should you buy Bitcoin right now? I cannot answer that question for you, man. It's an entirely personal thing. So I'm not sure whether or not you should buy it. Independent Mind. So you said if you get rich with crypto, you'll relocate to Mexico. From US to Mexico, can you recommend a nice self-placed part of Mexico? Also, are you planning a Spanish crypto stream? Yes to both. Yeah. Planning a Spanish crypto stream for news and technicals, but I need time for that. So, first of all, friend, I'm not gonna read that. Yes to both. Yeah, they're safe places, man. You can go to Querétaro, San Miguel. They're both good areas. They're centric, let's say, to the country, so they're nice areas. They're nice. A lot of foreigners in that area, and they're cool. Otherwise, and yeah, and for the channel, yes, I just need time. I would love to be able to do stocks in the morning, right? From 8 to midday. Then do the news in English, then do the news in Spanish, then do the technicals in Spanish, and then do the technicals in English. But for that, I would need to, like, for reals, have this generate enough to where I can cover my daily expenses, and probably more than that, because I need to, like, you know, it need to be better than my current job. So until that happens, it's not gonna be a thing that I'm gonna be able to do, right? Because I don't have that much time to be able to do all those streams, man. Either that or I need to sleep at some point in time, and it's not gonna happen if I do all that things right now. So I do get very little sleep as it is, dude. I'm getting between less than 6 hours or something like that. 7 hours maybe in a good night. So yeah. Anyway, someone said banned in audio. That's gonna be it, man. Banned in audio are gonna close the stream, dude. Well, close the chart, I guess, or whatever we're gonna call this. So, this is when I close the list. Banned in audio. Thank you, Rex. I appreciate that, man. Thank you very much for the kind comment.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, man. I'm not sure, dude. I think they're just memeing that spot for some reason. Yeah. Last time it was, what was it last time they had up there? Wall Street Bets. So yeah. Can I check quantum? Oh, dude. Yeah, man, I guess. Not that I don't want to do it. It's just my voice has been, like, hurting a little bit. And I was already closing the list, but I'll just sneak that one in. That's going to be actually the 30th coin. I was going to take a break of the last 5 coins, but yeah, I'll oblige, dude. Do the binds, man.
Do the binds.
That's going to be the last one. Quantum, right? Or Qtum or whatever. There we go, man. File, save. What's that? The hell, man. I'm not sure how much Tesla 3 is, dude. So, Double V, what was the dono? A lot of donos, man. A lot of donos, man. A lot of crazy donos. 1 Ethereum, 0.2 Ethereum. About 200 Canadian, $5, $3.99, $1, $4.99, $5.22, $1.99, $5, and 2. All those, man. All those were the donations that came through, man. So yeah, that's insane, man. Yeah, but Seamus, I think, was out before they won Ethereum, man. Hey, what's up, Mr. name who AS. I cannot pronounce your name, dude. But yeah, everything's good, man. Thank you for being here. Yeah, let's keep rolling, man. Yeah, so let's go to band, I guess. Band 14.14. Where is it on the daily, man? What do we had for band? We're looking for bearish divergence here. We did move down on that. That's great. It still would have played it there, and you know, still we have it there. So awesome. Bearish divergence played, hit that 618, pumping. So that's fine. And now we're going to here, and we're still creating this bearish divergence, strong for potential action to downside on band. So band has strong bearish divergence, potential for action to downside, man. No, one was from Lack, and then the other one was from Lack's friend. So Lack's friend Carl, who came in and donated, but it didn't play through. That's the sad part. I had to show it because it just hit me on the email, but it didn't come through the stream elements, which is weird. Higher. Everything here is good. Everything here is going higher. From back here on the 4 hour. Why? I remember. I was like, say, why is this on blue, man? I can't remember. Now I remember. I changed it in the other one to trace that resistance. There we go, man. Right. So two lines, strong bearish divergence every time. I'm going to show you how they're going to play out in a second. I forgot to anchor them 4 hour again. At least it's 2 lines, not like 10 lines like last time. Right. So 2 lines. Here we go, man. Do this one quickly. There we go. High to low. And then high to low as well, right? So strong bearish divergence, that's the first one I'm matching. And then the second one here I'm matching is this one here, right? High to low as well, and high to low as well. So more strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. I think that's the voice, the one I just tried to do. That's screwing up my voice, man, because that's the one that it made it hurt a little bit right now. Sorry, I hope it. There we go, man. I was trying to like crack open any holes to suit the throat a little bit. Almost done with the tea also. There we go. Silica. I mean, I'm gonna look at it. I might not do analysis for it because I already closed the list, but bearish divergence, action to downside. Let's see if that's gonna play. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. That's fine. Nothing here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. High, higher, high, low. Right, so strong bearish divergence, man. Again, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. Low, high, negative, more negative, low, lower. Again, some strong bullish here, right? So right here. From here to here. All right, so hidden bullish, sorry. Hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. Again, moving up, and right now we have that strong bearish divergence coming in. That might move the price of band to the downside, right? So band, potential action to the downside, that's it. Let's go to audio. How do you do that, man? Quantum got 6 billion volume in this market cap is just 1 billion. Awesome, dude. That's crazy. Going higher, more positive and higher. Overbought it at 80.28. Nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. What the hell is this, man? Let's zoom in here to see if I can find it. All right, so high, low, high. High, and then higher still. So from here to here, we have some bearish divergence, right? So let's get this in the 4 hour here. There we go. And it's going from here to here, right? Then from here to here. So that's the first one, strong bearish divergence, action to downside. And then the second one I'm looking at is from here to here on this move. But against the RSI, we're going to have this bearish divergence only, not against the MACD. Against the RSI, we're going from here to here. Right, so bought at 74.10. Overbought at 74.10. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. High higher than high to low, right? So again, against the RSI, for me to here. And high to low there, right? Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. We created some hidden bullish here in the short term before that rally. Right, and right now we're potentially looking for a move down, right? So from here to here and from here to here. So that is that, man, right? So yep. Silica said, right, I'm gonna go to Silica in a second, man. Audio, let's go to Qtum and let's move on to Silica after that. I'm just gonna look at Silica again. I'm gonna do analysis, right? My throat's like really starting to hurt now. Algo did big papa pump right now. Oh, we'll check out Algo as well, man. I got a recap, right? But again, you know, do something quick. I know I did Algo a little bit, so here we go, man. I put in the list for recap. So in the daily, insanely high, insanely fast. Nothing bearish, right? Higher, more positive, higher. Overbought at 87.25. So that is it. Let's go to the 4 hour chart, man. Higher, more positive, and higher still. So overbought, nothing bearish at 86.66. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Here it's on the 1 hour. It's starting to develop, but again, it's still really bullish. Big chance it might not play out, right? But it's there. Again, it's a possibility for action to the downside, and with that, we could be looking for that movement to be coming in to the downside, right? So high to low, and then high to low as well here. Brent, I'm not gonna read those comments, man. Right, so bearish divergence. Overbought at 73.75. That's it for Quantum, right? Again, it's just going insanely high, insanely fast. And moving down, potentially targeting the 20 at around $7.27. Let me go on the daily real quick. We do have higher areas value, so I'm going to get some fibs out here. Again, from high to low. I'm not going to pinpoint it now. I just want to get a quick estimate as to whether or not we're doing a valid retrace, and we could be, right? So now I'm going to try to gauge where we're really at on that retrace. So someone's coming in here, and this one's coming here. So great, man. We do have valid areas. We just got above that 236 and on track to hit that 382. So we're about to retrace 38.2% of the way, which is going to be really good. From the highest point to the lowest point. So very nice for Quantum, dude. Congrats if you're holding Quantum. It's pumping a lot, man. Yesterday pumped a massive 49%, and right now pumping a massive 13% over that 49%, which again, that's pretty good, man. Let's check out Silica, because there's a lot to talk about Silica, but I'm not going to run the analysis for it. I'm just going to look at it real quick. Silica at 11.28. Again, yeah, we had the bearish divergence. We said it might not play out. Obviously, it's not playing out. We still have it against the RSI, right? I'm gonna move that there and there. Inverse head and shoulders, measure move hit, and then some. Yesterday's finding indecision is spinning top, and it's pumping nice, man. It's going good at 9.44. Again, Bitcoin stagnating a little bit. It's giving alts room to run. So nice, man. Guys, thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like button, sub. Join us on Discord. Links in the description, guys. Thank you all for joining me tonight. Let's go to Bitcoin real quick. And sorry, Algo ran first. Again, just looking at this real quick, right? So I'm just gonna leave this here. We already know more or less what I'm calling here, right? If you've been following the stream for a little bit, you already know what call I'm making here at the bottom and the top. Hidden bullish Strong bearish. Potential fraction to downside. Let's go to Algorand. We did this one earlier. We didn't have anything on the 1 hour. And bullish pumping us. We're bought at 80.32. Let's go to the daily. Heading over that 1618. Trying to head to that 236. The 2618. That's our next target. And I don't have him here, so I'm gonna actually have to bring him out. So let's go here. Boom, bam, and kablam. There we go. Next target at $1.59. Let's recap for algo. I'm gonna go Bitcoin real quick. All right, Bitcoin moving down, hitting support again at 43,923. Right now, 44,700. Yeah, 44,743. So we hit support at 43,923. So great. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. It's probably still trying to recover, but yeah, below 20. So again, on Bitcoin, we had this bullish divergence strong, so we're trying to move up, but right now we're failing at the 20. I'm not sure if we're getting any pressure from the half hour. I can't remember if we came down here to look at stuff, but had this strong bullish divergence. High slightly higher, so nothing anything bearish, right? Low, high, positive, slightly more positive. Actually, I'll make this larger, see if we can get a better look. But yeah, high, slightly higher, so nothing bearish, man. We're just rejecting the 20, and on the 1 hour, right? So if we get above that 20, we could be looking for a retest of 48,000. That'd be really legit. We could also find some resistance around this area. I'm gonna call it here, more or less. Let me get a little bit better accuracy on this. Here we go, Alt H. There we go. That should work. So 46,000 might pose resistance. Look at this. We hit air resistance. We held support, resisted, held support, and then held resisted here. So target to the upside, 46,800. That's how I'm looking at resistances, right? That's how I look for resistances. Let's look for some support. That's it for Bitcoin. Just gonna look at Ethereum. And I know it's early for the time we usually end the stream, but I really need to get my voice to rest a little bit. So strong bullish, pumping, hitting the 20, rejecting below 1,729. We're trying to get above that area again. We're getting slightly above that area. We're also below 20. Tightness on the Bollinger Band starting to come back in. Let's wait and see how this is going to keep on playing out. Guys, that's going to be it for tonight. Did you guys like the intro screen? Let me know if you haven't seen it. I think we did a pretty good job at getting the intro screen to work. Extremely cool. I'm going to leave the mic on and keep on chatting through it. But this is our new intro screen, man. And I like it. It's pretty legit, I think. I just removed everything that was in the center. And then basically moved everything over here to the other side over here. And at least when the stream is starting, at least you can get a picture of me behind here and see me working. And at least you know I'm doing something. Get some honey and get... Yeah, that's what I did. I already did honey, man. I appreciate that, Bring Facts. So I'm going to go back to the regular camera. There we go. The less hello, the screen is a nice. Yeah, I know, dude. It took me a little bit to get idea as to how we're going to do it. I was playing around with a couple ideas, and Soka and I were going back and forth on it. And I think we decided for this one with the lines and keeping some of the elements of the original one, and then making it look like this. So yeah, I think it makes it look better, man. You want the horn, bro? Brandon, thank you for being here, man. Yo, everyone, thank you for coming in, man. Thank you, everyone that's here. Last Hollow, Todd, dude, Bring Facts. The Chief, Independent Mind. Soka, Jake, like your heart, dude, for reals, dude, you really make the stream very special, dude. With the kind donations, I really appreciate them. And then your buddy Carl that came in also. Double V, thank you for being here as well, man. Let's see who else, man. Who else am I missing? Todd, the False Flags, Kevin, like you're the Joel Ver, Dynamic Motorsport Experience, Genius Music, dude, Chris, Tankray, Jack Proc, Madison, thank you for being here, the Andrew Buck, and Guy Freak. Thank you all for coming in, guys, and making the stream so special and so cool. and everyone else that also popped up. Korean Batosai. I can't remember who else came through, but yeah, dude. I'm gonna make a wall of black beer at the end. That's gonna be your outro, right? The wall of black beer and written in stone for the awesome donations, man. Dude, Art and Gelk, thanks for being here, man. I much appreciate it. Again, I was looking at the chat a lot today, and then my throat started hurting near the beginning of the stream, so thank you everyone for coming in tonight. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna leave it here for now, because yeah, that's gonna be it, man. I really need to rest my voice. Thank you guys for coming in again. This is the Crypto, I'm your host Martin. Remember, all the information that we produce here is for entertainment and education purposes only. If you like what we do, talk crypto to your friends, your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. And what else was I gonna say? Yeah. Hope you enjoy the content, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto, man. Until then. All right, I'm coming back in real quick, guys. Someone just sent that donation. It just came through. There we go.
Ada, let's go. Oh.
Thank you, Danielle and Terry Painting, for the kind donation, dude. I really appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. I cannot play the Elvis, dude. It got stuck. Oh no. My thing got stuck here, and I cannot play the sounds now. Anyways, guys, thank you all for coming in tonight. For some reason, my stream deck is stuck, so I'm gonna play the rest of the. Is it even opening, dude? It's not even opening the program. That's weird. I hope my PC's not gonna crash. No lies, that button, it's stuck. That should have already played. It's not going. So I cannot play the sound now. I cannot hype horn or anything, dude. It's all stuck. Not even the program is opening, so weird. Again, thank you guys for joining me tonight. I'm actually gonna have to close the stream manually. And thank you for being here at the State of Crypto, guys. I appreciate everyone. Thank you for coming in, and I'll catch you again tomorrow.